Mwancho murigere wakire buya karibu sana ase Igetembe television ase omuroberiga wetwani yagetembe kirongo chaka ane keonga chinse 12 chabono omambi korengio mwancho murigere na nokugania kwane kwabokire buya emambi yega yabono nende emambi yerituko ria alamisi rituko rire tariki 10 omotinyo iga okane omwaka oro ni chirububere 25 karibu sana erinde tunyare usangana ritukeriga senjera yobwamo nende asenjera ere eyaben eyobwime ikegimanche nkorokwa Matilda Obaigwa na Oboigo korwase ensemo eriende tukubwaterana nere Wilfred Matundra kwanekia unakwanyoriririogi na Boigo chibicha asenjera ere engikirano mwacho mugere na mangi agendrete ase ense anene mono nekero tukurigereria ase orugongo orwaito rwagusi ari agendete kubwata nse nekero tukurigereria ngasi asa neraroro na Boigo abantu mbagendete kuburia abokonyi na Boigo gutwara amagani ayo tokoba tukumurikira ekero ase ekero igo kaba umwasi okunende tobosa kobo kindi gyonsi nyara gusangana inche iri tukeriga nande butamengo konyerenge kero kwabukire nsekera koigure nga bwakire koigure chinyoni chiachakire kubuga kware bule nga ningoyo kogera ose ningoko etubugima wabusa ningiye kogera okubuka kira rituko kwanyara nga omunguru nako korete favor kwanyara no bwateriogi omubero ore biya kegima nganande obwato bose bore bwokogenda kwerieri lakini kwamenya gutigara nyumba rituko rigima tukoriko enda gokora ndore mu guse eke turiko bwata kebago andonsi kyagera ometembere mero emirimo neba ngate iyo iri okorigia egasi neroro konyorera eraroro urabusa kokonya neba nyumba gari kwaba busy enchiragete tokubuka nga watu mukia manyi ngari tukorigima onyendi omonguru wari gwancha nga twatu mukari tukorigima kango muntu konyoro bwate chitororio kokonya korara ritukorigima korende na bari emibiri tayete biyamambi abono nkobasabero kubona kwa bwango na Boigo bari basireri na bamwabo hengakiyiga yobukendu mancho murigereria ngoba sabera munyare gutwara ribirere na Boigo munyare goikwange gose mutware omoikora bara echingaki echiga igo onekero nkorigereria ekero tugendete kumurikira aya genderete ase ense ya Kenya niko kokonyorengana kero tukurigeria ane mono nonye county ya Nakuru amagana agenderete aroro nekero turuchenga emeyige yega ya drama festival ya chakire koleta ribirire kigima nene mono uchase serikali enene niko bono tugenderete kumurikira amangana yagendete na Boigo anene mono asensemo eri ya siasa karibu sana manyiri tari aho asikwambwatire korwe mambi yabono erinde tunyare gusanga senjera eri eyobwamo kigima nekero nguchaka anekiunga chinsa ikomi nebire chabono mambi nigo nguchaka kurwase county ya Kisii kero bono abanyanyimbo wachageti obutuki ritukoria igoro magega yegekore kiarenge ekyogo cyane sana kurwase chinsemo chage komwe gutoka ya Kisii Central Ward bunge ne ya Nyaribari Chache county ne ya Kisii kirabono omwakoyomo atogete ekakwete gosomo bero yotogete gosuguna ine ase enyumba yaye itukure igoro mambi nekero bono abamenyi bechinse mecho banyarite gwichandira egekoro ekyo na Boigo obo bakuburia nga serikali gose ekyombe kerikyo okora obotuki kenyare kwenekia na engana yeirerete omugako yogutsira asinjira bune yo yanyare komanyikana abuna omusaketo Daniel Ontiri agutumanye koro ase chinseme
ebikole by'abantu gutuka bakwite hasi chinjira chibotutukano nabande gweita nigo byerorekanire komentekana mono hasa matuka bwangoiga hasa rogongo rwagusi na sigakore kya bwangoiga nigo kene kiwase nsemo ya Kiamabundu ime ye ward ya Kisii Central ase bunge ya Nyaribari Chache county ya Kisii hasa bomenya baiga mapema rero bariganirwa negekore kyogwichania aso mubere bumosoyiga Jacob Nyakundio Nyambu otoka gosunguna hase nyumba yaye ase room yokorara ase yakagirubuna nigo esungia gutumeke gechanga korengana na kirori mapema rero nigo bamanyiguro yugukwa kumosa oyiga chinga kiaturwa chigukama na yatoka tari gwitaba ni chinga kicho chombe kwenye chiachakire kwana
nje narenge mwane saa 12 kanya atinda aboka nanyoro yo minto yunia orengina moko mwana yo bwiita konga keresi chako bubuyengentira namubuli ni ngaya ngagatuka mwaya karamambi bwakia mungu ni bwe ngombe gakwana mamu mwabo kera iguye kwa no tebi omonche koro genda ngarore nkio yakwa nkie ng'ombe kwanera nataraboka kame kera omonche koro yacha nyaro mwana uye gabuyitire gesungeti
bateba Nyagusira obeire kamenyete gweka kuru murugo ya mutama akamutigira abana na kurwa chinga kicho obeire kagutara gweka eng'ana yarorekanete komoe birengererio ni chinga kicho esegeto yarwegwa gwicha sabasa bake abagochaka obogema bwenyuomo
subati oyega nabai mogitakarwa akagenda nandi nachitakairana ekerairana rende ngina biara na bamubikite biya akagendera komenya nande kereka gatibono ntorochi gose ntochitiko gamba kina muchioyo ng'a omwana ochako bunago sere to morugi yo yono gari koimoka ogenda igo twanyora taiyo babo mwabo icho ntebia nagoso omwana ori moka chako bunande gachiete bono gachiete buna achiete rende tana koirana lakini abana barabukonyora mbagenderete gosoma bono basemi ndarwe saba subati abake bakunywa mubono musubati gokwanyomire gwachira asenga koiboira abana nandi tibweneti ogenda utiga abana bogima kera borabo bokongu nayo ninu moraborosi no mugakoyo rindegero bogima bobwenere kobuga kogenda gutiga abana baguchanika bakamuna yaikeirega mwana yiga achire gweita onya ndio musubati oyarenge nyomba anga mwana uyo tachieti gweita anga naro chekera achagite gweita nera kure rindegera akonyu tabase gweita bano yaretire bichembe ekogera omwana bano bunasire nande mbali bange gabali babere
ntonda kwana ngeria nga chinga kiche ikire chinkong asinge njoyo bolemeru obonge tigana into to babalemereria to babalemereria onye tonyore tirero mambi nabo nyasaye nabo atumoroberio abo gocha konyora igento manyete ngeringa ole na gesero kia ethana ukoreki tana kuburuburaro abana aba bamaremu batigeire batwaro gosemeri na mambi yabo niraroro
Nyagusira Jacob iyo manyekanete mono bunapoi nigo gwikukwa kwae arenge kore mirimo y'ububundi bw'echipipe na mona sensemo ya mwembe asomoberoye ogenderete gukindira enkendu chinga kyobotu kibwa cha kigwe ngurubuthirike taseni kya gatembe kuriga se bonge ya Nyeribari chache ase kaunti ya Kisii ritrene nguruku Daniel Untiri.
Mwancho murigereria gutigana nayo na kirabono chigasi chigendete kuburase ense ya Kenya na bwo tukumurikira ase riroba ria Gusii nigo bono abamenyi ibe ward ya Bogusero egotoke meye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii bari na keria bakwe keria magiga ya magena ayeri gori kegima guse amadini gotoka ase chinsemo chimanyekanete na asanta umurobiri uyo nigo bono obwateraniri abamenyi bechinsemo cyo gwetania chiri busato na kiroba keire ngane yu ngane njire yemo irachiko bakonya banyare kwenyorera engeri yabo yakira rituko korinde abarai ao mbanyarete gukora ebarasa rituko origoro bakora wa nomo deputy county commissioner au Kitutu Central omanyekanete buna Juma Walela na kiro banyarete kwewa obosemia na kibaranyare gutumika gusena kibaranyare kuya amagena yo ase ichikware batari kose mibasokano etari koba gekone kiwa na kiro bakuburirwa banyare kwirinda kigima ikiro obagendete kwenyorera engeri yabo koro ase amagena yo yerigori kigima omusakeito anko dipona sanya naringe ase chinseme
okwerika ngati y'ebintu abange bagenderete gosemeria eri okonyora engeri yabo yakera rituko ime ye location ya Bogusero North egotoka ime ye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South abantu gwetania chiribu isato nigo bono bagenderete kwerigeria engeri yabo asoko ya amagena yerigori gose egol.
Naitwa Amos Calvin Olwach. I'm the founder of this Kisero Kaisen mine. Kampuni yenye tulianzisha hapa, nilianza na excavator baada ya kupima na gold machine ambayo ili detect several parts in the points.
Nanyina bo oboncherio bwe nigo bono bwakinirie ekerengo kya magima yabange chinsemecho.
Watu wa area hii wamefaidika kabisa kwa sababu kila mama anapata mapato yake. Kila jioni kila mtu asa salary. Kila wanaume wa area hii wanajenga manyumba yenye haikuwa inapatikana hapa. Kienda chini hapa mtapata manyumba ya permanence of which haikuwa wakati mwingine. We have improved the economy of this area. Kwa saa hii, we have employed more than 3,000 people.
Correct. Ase barasa yomo Deputy County Commissioner OCBD bakoragwa no MCA bworogongo Vincent Abuga. Nigo aboriria baonchiriria bwe kutumekeni beywe asenchere ndonge.
Mimi nataka kuwashukuru kwa ile heshima mmeonyesha hapa tangu gold ipatikane hapa. Jambo la pili, ningelipenda kuomba ya kwamba tukiwa hapa tukipata pesa, tafadhali tuhakikishe ya kwamba hii pesa tumeitumia kwa njia iliyo nzuri. Ile sababu imenifanya niyaseme hayo, nataka kuomba ya kwamba hii gold wakati huu hiko na itafika wakati itaisha. Kwa hivyo naomba ikifika wakati inaisha ikuwe na wewe umejipanga.
Abateneneri baba onchoreri abo nigo bano babegete amachiko.
Umeweka security measures of which ikifika 6 in the morning we start working. In the evening at 6 people leave the place including women, but those men who are working at the shafts are allowed to work overnight in shifts.
Tafadhali wazazi wetu watoto wakiwa nyumbani, more especially shule zikifunguliwa, mimi ninawaomba msiruhusu watoto wapatikane hapa.
Ngaki omo Deputy County Commissioner Juma Walela aboria abamenyi bensemeywe gotinya oborendi eligokyania bikora byome basokano anene yogosiria magima yabange.
Tunajua saa hizi ni msimu wa mvua, na wakati msimu wa mvua inaongezeka tutakuwa na madhara ya migodi kuporomoka na uwezekano ya kuweza kusika watu wetu kwa mchanga. Wakati mnafanya kazi yenu, tumeelimisha kwamba lazima tuhakikishe mambo ya safety. Na ofisa wako hapa, vile tuko hivi, mtu mmoja akikufa tuko mkodi hapa, hii mikodi yote itafungwa. Sasa ndio nawaambia wale wanafanya kazi ya kuchimba mikodi, muhakikishe kwamba mmeweka safety measure na mikodi iko salama kwa watu kuingia, because hatutaruhusu watu kupoteza maisha kwa mikodi.
Ense mona yweni gobono babuliwe gukinya ekerengo kyobo chenu.
Tunawaarifu kila mtu ukiwa na site yako pa kuchimba gold, uwe na choo ambacho kinatumika kwa watu wako ili muendelee kuwa na usafi katika eneo hili.
Mtu akikufa, mtu wa kwanza wa serikali kutafutwa ni mimi. Kwa hivyo ninaomba mtu asikufa hapa.
Chinga kibaborie serikali goeswania na kobaroselie para lyokorobya obosombi chinsemecho.
We have talked about the road problem from the main road to this side of Kisero. We don't have a proper road. It should be marramed properly. Another thing, we should be given water.
Ripoti ya Gatembe kurua Santa Sublocation imeye wadi ya Bogusero Kitutu Chache South litera na inkuru kwa Dipon Asanya.
Omancho murigere na gutigana nayo ase amagendero kose kiratu kurigere sensemo yobo cheno kura ase county ya Nyamira nigo litkorigoro mugavana omoski Amos Muminyaribo anyarete kora omuyega aboko yegora enyagitari eyo ase abasubati bakogongeria ase chinsemo chiria chia ekerenyo yo gotoka eme county yo ya Nyamira eyo nenchiremo yo kwenekebna abasubati banyorire obokolerio bya anane mono chinga kichiri bakogenda koleta nainde abana ase ense mwancho murigere horoboti oro na omoseketo Fatgad Gisembo na rokubwatia
Okwerika ngati yebinto abange bagenderete gosemeria elio konyorengere yabo yakera lituko ime ye location ya Bogusero North egotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South abantu gwetania chiribu isato
serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira ikurawa n'umugavana Omoske Amos Nyaribo bakubwatirana ne serikali enene amo neria yense ya Finland nigo rero bakora omunyiga omonene bwoko igura inyagitari ase abangina enyagitari iyo yabage kuigurwa rero nigo igotoka ase nyagitari ye sub county ya Ekerenyo na nigo ibitanda nabo igo biria byonsi biganirie chingaki umusubati arange koreta omugeni bire aroro.
And depending on the condition, some will live here in the theater or some will live here in the delivery room, but the delivery room on the other side.
Aiga nigo mugavana Nyaribo ateba bona ogwikiranirwa kwa magenderero ayaiga no gwikirania chira chiaye ariete ase abana ichi irio kwenekya buna kira oyomo onyorire obokoreri bobobwenia ase obwange boigo otebire oguchakiwa kwenyagitari eyaiga nigo irachikoirera omubaro bwa baria bagusiria amagimabo ekero bakogonkia orachie gokeana.
Abasonga aba iyo barwete Helsinki kanto ya Finland yari ba Oscar abantu bari bazwara batutu ba Nairobi yomanye project ye ne y'abantu ba Finland barwete ba ya Finland lakini bawadonate yondo kubanga chitobi
kurwase ensemo y'ababwatani abo kurwase ense ya Finland nigo batebire county ya Nyamira nigati ye county emerongo ebere ekyo kyakonyekire ase boigo county ya Nyamira ward area ya Busamaro enyagitari ya Igena Itambe boigo erachie kwagachwa.
Government of Finland and National Treasury of Kenya, and this is the first project in Kenya that's been implemented based on this facility. Women's rights and maternal health is a very important part of Finland's development policy. It's been a key of our policy documents stretching back decades, and we have a very good collaboration with Kenya also in this regard.
Ensemo yayo muwaziri w'obochenu imeye county ya Nyamira Dr. Donald Mogoi nigo atebire buna enyagitari yeiga ya Ekerenyo nigo yabeire ya gatatu kurwase county ya Nyamira gucha kwenana obokoreri bwobo bari maiga yeria ya Keroka na boigo area ya Nyamira
operation watigara ga Ekerenyo ni na area tentangani ase sub county ito ya Nyamira North. Ane toja konyore ya kabere labda toja konyora nyamusu bwanguiga na labda naingi demajo kucha magwawa. Ikabona mboro chike karaja ya weri jakitali nene.
Chingaki echecho omugavana Nyaribo nigo abaenekerie abanyamira buna onyorire ababwatani bande abo bagucha gokonya county ya Nyamira wikirania amagenderero ao.
Utabona iga Nanyore dono litorisi kenda ya mkomondi. Naime, nanyore edona yene litorisi kenda ya banganero na yane ali ya musi. Yodo na ite, litorisi sikere angena sabando wa mekete. Ikine ga sina mwa toende, ende toende dokora.
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurwase county ya Nyamira Jeffat God Isemba.
Murigire naende gutigara ase oburai bwe county ya Nyamira nigo mugavana omusike mumenyaribo anyarire kumumocha museneta bwe county yo omusike Okongo Mugeni lekero akumuboria nga amamocho kuse obubi boli bokendete kwenekiwa ase county assembly meye county yo ya Nyamira tibobona etiko genda gukwanirwa isiko hanene muno kwenda koreta obusoku obosio obwesene tibuna mangana yo nyara gokorekana wiki yega lituko ria Jumanne ka okwana naboigo nigo anyarete kwera buna enchiranere abarai baranyare kubekana amo anene muno na gukorera chinkwana ase county yo ya Nyamira na gukorera amangana yo aroro erinde kwenekia oburai obuya korende tari okogenda koreta obusoku ase kurwa gose kuchase abantu bandi gosase ense ya Kenya musekeito polka pokara norovotira sinchira
gukwanekere kiboigo mugavana nigagendere ko bagakumumachio museneta bwe county ya Nyamira muske Eric Mungare bwo Kongo asikirianganero gendere ko bagagusegeta chisegi meye county yiga ya Nyamira.
There is no one day anamoja Nyamira tusanswa Ndamwa Jones asaba ngapo nyora. Mama ndama. Ndamwa Jones. Awali kwa assembly. Lakini ndana kusasa mimi tukelimo. Yesa achora 2017. Ndana kusasa mimi. Wono, oro mushi, owe shindanero. Koko yamukai chiro mukamero.
Yariboniga muganirie umuseneto Gigonyeka bwatobate bwekero kyo bugavana kunyara ko bwagucira okoboko gwa komosi na gusika abarayi bande.
Kila bantu base kama toito. Tumo ngoni mu toito bwabana. Bwabana oko seza. Asaba reichi. Wao chero naso gete baka waide kamariga. Akakumia haitegemei. Egesomo yake ngako. Ilo sene tatu ara maskani asawa ibade. Atende kero gachi na kwa
Ekereki Boigo nigo mugavana Silibuna Chisege chigendrete kwenikiwe meye county ya Nyamira. Abuliti kuligoro nigo chiasi uletinga njijiko nyara kwa bachi kubekwa kerario. Na Boigo gosonsorwa ime ye county ya Nyamira Natalio kubeko musono bwe county kwa chiase bisa kubinde.
Jebontambe mwatena amangana Nyamira toisa asi Nyamira toyeso Nyamira. Igorese netiate wete ila na Nyamira Como sene tonto oberga komena bantu Nyamira no morere aene ko igani chiko. Oye vindele Senate, yango todo sogo keningwa. Lowana tuanjira nite, ariwa advice. Tocheka. Toisa asana leaders. Tomanye o wewe Nyamira, aende mbona bonena. Obondi no kuna usegeta rosa. Ikiara tuwande county assembly and operation.
Nigo Boigagendre ko bagakomosemia omu MCA be wadi ya Kerenyo. Uyu Boigo uligatie yo muspika saba speaker bali babere ko rwase county ya Nyamira kunyara ko bagagocha na goitobote unenchire yamo yo kulendekera go kya kyo bu MCA Aiginko ripoti rigataseni kya uwanjete kya gatembe kurugi gasinseme chiga chie Kerenyo imeye bunga ya North Magrange county ya Nyamira inchi gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Mwanjo murigirire gutigana na siasa iyo na Boigo ekiama kia ODM nekiro kigenderete no bochori bwa grassroots gusekurwa ase chinsemo anene muno kiro tukurigire ase chi constituency ritukore igoro nigo abubale ababwatani bekiama ekyo banyarite gutara gwikira ase orukungo rwa gusi nene muno ase ward eri ya Bugusero ekiro banyarite gukora obochori obu bwa Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii nekiro bono konyi bo mugavana wa county ya Kisii muskela ijao bebo nyarite kwikirana somo yigoyu na Boigo nekiro banyarite kuboria abantu gose omugusi anyare kugendera kwirikia ime yekiamekiga kya ODM nekiro bagukigira bagutababuna nigo kiabeiri gose kigenderete kuba imara kigima na Boigo nigo obochori obo banyarite kurorekana bwanegetigwe asinjira ere eyo murembe na Boigo obotoereru kigima museketo na ine anko tipo na sanya no robotiro asinjira enyikira
ODM bunenchira ya moyo gotinya ebyama byage siasa no kwerikia na Boigo gutwara ababwatani abange chingaki ekiama kya ODM bono kegenderete gukora obochori mashinani uja asaba bwatani bali bagenderete gusira gose barache ko baba gwakirishi bikiama ekyo kurwa sechi ward ao Omurobelio oikiranwa na mokonyi w'umugavana w'e county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Elijah Bebo ime ya Kitutu Central Sub County.
Ngote bagambi yamono ikegara abantu ba Kitutu borokiriye maskanya manene. Mwana itana ndi center Jones sub county Jones jina etiri narorire masikani negasi ngiye gokoreka naro murembo munene ukuigwa no konene no gochori ubuya twabongerete bo machoge twaita roro twacha ubasi nyamaji twacha masimba nyaribari masaba twacha sako nyaribari chache kimu bono gatwarure marani bono no tolega kitutu chache south asitoko kamosocho igasi yakorekire ningiya obochori kuito bwa ODM ngo boli no morembe asensemo yagusi omorembo munene bantu bamto twarorire buya ike muri wana ODM na ndipo bato kokanyukuya ase chama ito ya ODM
Chiga kibono gati ya barai abube bwaterania sobochori obwe bagokera egetambo kerekeiga
kerenga biamono asenge nchabo chori twarrobuya botabwa tiriogi botabwa timangana na inde muna tuekago koroso bochori boria tuachora na biasa na baritani ngofu sambare ngegaiga okoro kwa kamanda ko mwakera ngambia mono asenge njokore gasing yasa no twabwate gasiare nge kwasogo chora na kina kira nembia mono asenge nche bana inchira botoje toigwana biritwa ngwa ndo bochoro twakora so egendora nko basaba barai bali bonse bacho kumoranje mochamo
Naboigo gosegeta babwatani bagendere kwerikia na gosoa ase kiama kia ODM naboigo bali bagenderete gutenane kiama ekyo wakirwanga mbuya mono
abantu bo ODM mbuya so gosiri kiama na ndi mbuya so gotosira munabyo abarahi bahino otoko bayene karinga nto barentero morembe nto bayentero gororo erinde tonyora magendero mune korteki mune bagenderete etana uti chango kimono na mbuya jire Jones generally lakini chango kimono ne yabo basinya mache keumbu nyali bali chache na kitutu chache south gase to omwe konti ya abantu bakira so bunge naenda batoereru nande bayibwana ODM
kuripoteria egetaseni kiao kiagetembe bwanchete kurega asichabisi cha Kitutu Central Sub County chikotoka imeye wadi ya Bogusero ebunge ya Kitutu chache South imeye county ya Kisii eleterana inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
watikana no bochori wo bwikiama kia ODM na boigo abamenyi bakuru ase ebungeri ya Nyaribari chache na baraboti batigarite magiga ekero bono bwanyarete gokorekana ase chinsemo chiria usase ward ya Kiumbu na boigo nekero bwenegetiwe koba obo morembe na nekero abamenyi abo kose bari ababwatani bikiama ekyo banyarete kumwireneria omugavana wa county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati ngambo yomono kegima ekiagera agendrete gose ekiagera bagendrete kwanekia una ekiama kia ODM kiagendereire gutwara omuguso kegima ase orugongo oruigaro Kisii
Samari tanguru kumheshimiwa Fanis Maneno Nyambane denominated in party ODM katesi no mugavana ito Paul Simbarati oyole deputy party leader yo ODM igakero turiga togo korobo chali tugwate blessings cho deputy party leader ya ito ngose bono awaigo etugwate blessings chiaye no tabet present no nyetabet present the deputy governor naba present appreciating among all the counties sub counties here Tarire Nyaribari was the most organized government wetu wa Nyaribari we are na leaders and the promise today that ndoba koleregazi the flow of information from the chair our Apple chair it will be coming down to grassroots. That's why to have elections from grassroots baka to ikire branch bonega igama baito na the Orange Democratic Party to baki irembi yamano for such organization so that the party is structured igama baito I wish you all the best candidates bali mwachoru dia dokolegasi asabomo. Thank you.
Nche Nkoroku Fred Onundu akuru Kisii Central Ward Nyanchwa Sub Location Bosongo Location Kiogoro Division Nyaribari chache koirari bageri kobatebi onsimbi yamono asoko twara imani na inche na kabero munyakero goino nande mwatwara imani mwangakira mwenspi nande mwangari bageri mbasabu ne chairman yenu inche bune chairman yenu mama eteni nganje transparent ande kitingo tiga na ande na kero monto no monto mana ase party baka tuachora bya sana kire ward kire division kire nyomba yakora kiyanyora ige togo tebya abanyari bari ba minto mbiamono asoko twara imani ase party ito ya ODM ntwarenge no deputy governor ito nero choru ne member togoteba mbia mona sogojo atutarira ntwe turanda e governor group Paul Simbarati
Marieta Samuel Soros gora limbe mo ase chame ya ODM e chame ntanga na re consider mangana abantu wa disability ngo sabaro ya sato igore chinjera na inje mo saberani ikiara bara mafu turaba torenjera kite chame ira na otosira era ni rumu skesi Simbarati mbia mono oso na baba oso uto anda abantu walimo mswacho nashukuru barikiwe sana asante
Kurukare Norori na nje gonde committee member ya ODM kuruga Nyaribari chache naende ayaito tukuwa na boetera somo Simbarati na linga kero muntu muna kurwa olio choro amachwe na kwari kurutiria abantu ku ODM party egere baba bange naende tukuchwika somo choriboria onyorenga gutole the largest party towakira His Excellency the Governor Simbarati chikura landslide igomno toko batagati itono kuri kuruti abande guchi ODM biamono obochori bwaba obwarenge obochori bwo marembe nande nyasaye tigaba seseni abantu baito Banyaribari chache biamono
Wancho murigire gotigara ase siasa ye biama ni gobono abarai akuse abo botani au bekiama kya UPA korwase orgongo rogusi bagenderere gusingira buna nigo muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nere ore umurai wekiama kya UPA omugavana we county ya Nyamira ende omuske Amos Enyaribo nere ogendere tekora nekero akonyokorera buna ekiama ni kya Dr. Fred Matiang'i nende nakyo kirachi ose nakyo arachi kutumika una koinyorera etiket eyo kubolekerwa kyo burayi wense asobochoryo bonene bori bose bo mwaka 2027
twacho mukutano o National Governing Council o inara angeria ikiari chikona uringa zinguru echo togamba mangane party ya UPA ne party ya Matiang'i na ndo ndeta confuse atebe mpati nda ujotenenera UPA ujotenenera na endo mo presidential candidate bwato ya makorusi Fred Okengo Matiang'i onde bwezi ogotenena ine chinsasa leti na bakenya moroji na na busibaros igoto ende moto pamoja tuagachane to change Kenya yetu. We change the logo in the end na kisasa. Najua tulikuwa tumetumia pikipiki Ruto idanganya watu ati yeye ni mtu wa Asora ponda boda. Sasa ukienda kwa hao wa pikipiki watakasirika because watafikiri na wadanganya, na hiyo logo tumeweka ni ya watu yote, tutaunganisha kila mtu ndani.
So we have come here today, number one, to review the constitution to be able to accommodate the entire nation. Number two, we have the feelings of the Gen Zs, we have the feelings of women and all the participants in the political or democratic space. And what we have done today is to align ourselves to the needs of Kenyans. And number one, we have changed our constitution vipengele fulani ambavyo tunafikiri vinafaa kuongeza the youth into the system, kuongeza wa mama na wale ambao wanaishi na ulemavu. Na sasa constitution yetu inaangalia mambo yote. Number two, tumeangalia pia mambo ambayo yanalenga wale ambao wanafanya kazi, mambo ya payslip, watu ambao wamekatwa taxes na wanalia kwa sasa. All those things have been included in our constitution to ensure that we are able to respond to the needs of Kenyans.
I just want to give you an assurance that this is the party to watch come 2027 and that we have resolved that this party is going to clean up the mess that has been caused by the current government and the current president. You know all his name.
mwancho murigire na enchere yomo yogosiria obosaria ase chinsemo chake birigo iyo gotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo bono abamenye bechinsemo cho banyarire koaka eriogi magiga yebikorwa byobosaria komentekana akegimana boigo litikoregoro nigo ebarasa yanyarete gukorekana nekero bono egati ya barai bari banyarete gwikirana roro banyarete kwerera bona chigosori bona bono echa korondo na boigo bari bagwate chinyumba cyo gukomboi gotamanya abantu bamenyete ase chinyumba echo na boigo emirimo eri bagokora nga nabyo bitangaine gose nabyo bigendete koenekia o komentekana kwebikoro abyo bosaria ase chinseme echo na boigo nekero bono banyarete kuboria nga omo OCS ebwegetaseni kia mbere konganyiwa rimo rioka magekanga retarabaga koenekia nga obosari obogendete koenekiwa ase chinsemecho bwanyarire gokewa na boigo niko banyarite kuboria eserikali iyi county ya Nyamira enyare kubabekira chitaya cha botuko erio koenekia una banyare gokeya emesunte era omosunto monene oyo ogotoka ase echireyo erio kokora ebikorwa bunebyo byobosari kose ebyo boibi na boigo oboke bago no musekito Fatgad Gisemba akotoma
nche asamalieta Samuel Malimo Kombo ndo mchia mwenye Kibirigo market tuwa tu mkutano o sub county ya North na sub county ya South Tuwatwali mkutano mbuya wagambira asobogale buna tobwa tobokongu abayibi batuchandete Kibirigo nasandi twakwanire buna tobwa tobokongu abayibi bagutufamia kirengaki enda abayibi abo abana baito bamenyete umutyo Kibirigo abandi twakwanire buna abayibi abo baguta bakorera asya butuko bawagatiye mu mbali bagutira sema tikati paka butuko saa 8 saa 7 kakaroti basachia mwere ile mwalifu uyo igakuminyoka utukulibia oyo obwate bese utukudine byose kyo mwananchi n'abantu bakibiriwo bamenya gatachiro omuntu aho tukoboka mambye ale byose bikyaye kero bosabita kwa tikende babo kene bo mangana baralia tuano hala naenda mangana makongo asitubwate ni twe togotigeta abantu bagakite byose bikibiriwo bagotabane chiwine and spirit bakoni agukota bwatirezi sinone yemo abanyapa bamenyete Kibirigo banatete chirezi mbali ko ni maruti pati abo yin byose kibino abantu baitu bamenyete no ibago bimenyete no bikonye ibintu byabo umuntu agoche bwagate byose kiri tukebimo bono twate balero ira abo bisabaitu barwa north na south obate bakutakira rero litukoria rero butakobale bakorera siyo bamanya abantu babwate chirenses na batabwate baro abayibi twate bonde kwese oyo manyete muntu ndo manyete ngano mwibyo orolekana asegeti atebe mara moja abachibu baitu batwara marieta ende bamanye mbantu kiabo ebinde badile witu nabantu abo twate abasakiriti yeito Kibiriga omosi esi oliyo maneno Kibiri oliyo omenyete kiambere gagocho onywa maruchipa n'abayibi bari bamenyete Kibiriga igorero ntwatebya banene banyamira ntwabatebya umuntu oliyo kiambere omosi esi oliyo omenyete kiambere arusu kiambere airu elsewhere asibarante bamoire gusabane bamenyenera Kibinyamira ntukoruraiga tabasa korolekano bakwanga kumuruzia otogotara na matopaka Nyamira totebya omo bisa oito omo county commander tomotebye egende twatebe totokonyo umuntu bangire kumuruzia twakwanera bintu buna Peter Ross tubwato bokongu Kibiriga ebito igwana ne account tukabatiga bagenda gukora bataka gusangira bitibesa kuba sabana byasa abantu lakini batotebeti 1 week 2 weeks 1 month tokole ngutaka bale batomo emerero bato amache bayigole Peter Ross ekimba nya gokora none chicho chisaregetema ekimba nya gokora none biba arote ngatu bayigolere bachete bakara intubona abanyabyazara ba Kibirigo intweta gekeye no tora bichoke otoko tenina nechoge imba gocha kike biru gusangire
Mwanjo murigere no to no kuratigira bo asense mo oyamaye ya gusaya tikire chinsa chabo no mambi kegera na mangi agenderete ase ense ya Kenya ne mono kero to kurigirira ase orogongoro iga rwabusina serikali enene naro ndochenga nande nebwate ayana mangi agenderete gusanga gochase aba Kenya kuri ne mwanjo murigere ni gongo kuburia nga litiko oria rero gosenekero ngukunyoria nga litukeri gari rero tutarachi kurigirira samangana history kidogo nabo ngukuburia nga serio kubwata ntubwate coins ntubwate chibese chigo kubwata nga twanarete ng'ebese okubwata kwanyora eshiringi eri nebwate echorire omonto nechorire gose na esimba egachorwa echorire eminyama ao ngiye kogera ebese eri echorire omonto nonyare kong'eranere gose nabo gosangana inche ase chinsemo echo cha Facebook chinsemo echo gose wetera ase namba yesime nabo igo YouTube ase live chats naro nabo okomanya ninki omanyete ebesa egotoka gechorire ebicha y'omonto ebesa yatoka kebwate ebicha eyesimba eyeraino ebinto binde ebinge kurige ng'a ekero kurigiriria ebicha geteiga gosokorora nonye kala yokega kwamanya ng'a eyo nsiringi 50 eyo ne noti ya 50 eri ne noti ye 100 200 500 ne riwemo ninki gekogera ebesa konyore chorire ebicha y'omonto ninki ebesa kochorerwe ebicha y'omonyama nabo kong'iraneria osonye koigweterio keriga nabo kosangana inche gochaiga ase studio ase inchira ere eyo bwasio kukigima neki kogera narigereria yaiga ne chitariki 10 omutinyokane tukuria ase omwaka orio 1967 na ribono nande Kenya ya sogetinga Kenya ya sogeti chishiringi gete chuchabete nande chigotumeka ase ya matuko amange ekigima nga nande inchabwate ebintu getiga gose features inchiro kurigereria ase besa kwa manyanga ebese yaiga kware korora buna matuka amagega kware korora eshilingi nere yare korokana nere yellow iga nande yende echiga chinda buse ono as time goes by twarorire amangi abereka gosa monjorire amangi abereka gokorekana ase amangana yega nemono ogo print chibesa gosokorosia chibesa since ya Kenya manyinga ningi kogera omanyete gosokagera ebesa gutware bicha y'omonto gose gutware bicha y'omunyamagete tubwate simba tubwate rhino tubwate enchobu torkomanyanga ninki ebese yiga ayachorerwa yaiga na ekirongorigereria ase emitandao ndochinga rero okora abantu ngana bobo bogete no moika omuya kigima buna omusori bwegesusa otebanga na Kuru City no are Christopher Tandi neragoteba kurwa borangi na omurugio ya Sheila Kirubo abana Sheila Matiangi Moranga Mikae mama mongina na tata Muranga pamoja hadi tamati akotebava blessed day na hiyo tu alitukoria masisene Isaac umweno umuzae permanent timanyanga ere tariko gota nigate to remain forever young akota good morning from Nyavituno wabo Machoge Burabu County 045 niko ndani watching live from Nairobi Kibra Osekibera showground mbia mono sana ina Isaac omweno Justin ongera gotebanga makme present korenchoro yabo Samaro good morning na Barnabas Ratemo Gikongea wata good morning from Doha Qatar wikaseto Nyamasibi pamoja good morning to you last born wakemi agotewa kuroisani kisaba kwetu ndubari kitutu masaba pamoja mbuya mono sana anainde karibu sana ase omoroberio Victor Omondo Mienda erendo chingana bacha nekinyoro ikema abaimogeti abantu abange aiga akigima kiragotanga kurwa akilimani tuko pamoja hadi tamati na Anthony Ragori Rispawaru Fred Nyandie Kamusima Honorable Boniface Mokamba Penkila hote musoribo Yesu Salome Onyoni Vini Sanganyi Fred Oseko Teresa Kirubo Jenny Momoreka Kajeni na abandi abange na bana basi nigagoteba nande akwira nagotebanga kurwa Doha Qatar mbuya kima Alex Mauti kurwa Marokisi County agoteba no are ime yo moroberio nabo igojeria Kirubo agoteba kurwa Manama Bahrain agoteba good morning Teresa Kimta agoteba good morning Matilda from Karatina present biya mono sana Peter Omari agoteba watching live kurwa Asuguta nabo yo Dominic Oirere nere agoteba kurwa Bunyakera abu mokora omonene otobokirie buya mono sana Ocharo William out watching live agotanga ni gari mikiki makurasi chinse mochiria cha sensi I think sensi gotoka Miamarani Kitutu Chache North na aboigo gilsa ke mta gotaba korwa magwagwa nigo akugwatch kiki mamata kwamboka agotabanga korwa chinse mochiria cha Kitengela na reno alimi yumurubirio na pilipili hoho agotabanga watching live korwa chinse mochiria tiati manigo bali mwensi mwabokire nabo togosogerania rituko eriga gose chinse chabo no mambia nyara kondikira ujumbe yao ochaiga wetira se chinse mochiri cha Facebook erieta riao ndo chuna baiga bagoteba erieta chinse mochiri mbwate koru na boigonyo kobwate gosena makwani kobwate kirengereri ogosanga ngendete gukuboria nga numanyitingie kogera ebeseri ogotumika echorire ebicha eyo munyamageti numanyitingie kogera echorire Simba metengie kogera beseri echorire ebicha eyo muntu lakini mutuka ya bwangoiga kero tukurigire chibesa cha Kenya njibwati chibicha cha bantu Pastor Henry Ayora agoteba buna botambe agoteba ko Baraton University sikunjema kwa Ombui Otori Ombui Manini Javas Evans James mama yangu Teresa Evans Ouru Douglas Ouru na watu wa Bogita wote. Pastor Henry Ayora mbia mwana sana na indi karibu agoteba ko Baraton University ego mwancho murigerea kirongendete gukukwanira gusitoke ngendete gukumanya igoro yebese kireto kwanda ebesa ama tukabwango no manyitinga ebeseri imbichaki egotwara gose ningi ikegendereta na muno kireto kuri chibesa cha Kenya ndobwate ya enoti ya 1000 echorire nchogu ningi gekogera echorire nchogu ndobwate enoti ya 500 egachorwa Simba nabo igo ya 200 egachorwa Eraino wonomete aigano nandike gusike uchikiato bacharake andi kwanyoranga eyemia nebwate Leopard ose echui nabo igo ntubwate ya 50 gachorwe Buffalo mwancho muri no manyitinga ningi gekogera chibese cho chichorire ebintu ebya chichorire eminyameyega egentege tangani ngokunyure ngaso mwaka 1967 gusekero tokuriga cia history tari chibese chabano tukukwanira nga echishiringi njire cyarabete guse chishiringi njire cyabachire kutumeka ekekasana chichorire bicha yaye omurayo mutangani ke mabwense ya Kenya Moske Jomo Kenyatta mwaka 1967 chitariki 10 na rero umutinyo yega okane Kenya issued new shilling coins yanyarite kubwato ka 10 cent chiri chare utumeka matukari gusichirupia ono nigo yabwate 5 cent ya mo ya wase 5 cents na boigo ntobwate eri ya 10 cents 25 cents na boigo 50 cents na ayaboigo higaikira 1 shilling nande features chiri echibese chikacha watenjirechi osechibese chigane ko charenge korosi wane company yamanyikanite muna Royal Mint yu yarenge korosi nsiri ya United Kingdom gose UK korende ebe chibese chigane ko chabwate bicha yaye mzee Jomo Kenyatta na kubolire burongega no manyete mumanyi ndochinga kwanyarire kuboka mete miaka yawo na ene sokorogo cha sende mumanyi kiro kene kirongo kuboria nga ebese yiga nkikiare ko gerebesa echorire ebicha ya Omoske Jomo Kenyatta ndobate Omoske Daniel Arap Moi chibicha cha charinga ase chibesa ndobate nere omurai wense onero mukuru Omoske Mwai Kibaki nere chibesa cha wate chibicha chai niki abara ya baiga chibicha cha bo charinge gokora ase chibesa ndobata manoti chinga kecho na boigo ndo chinga with the time amangana bona ria cents rero cents chirinjiyo na ndenga nonyene shilingi okonyaranga igali supermarket yora busozo onyare ko tumeka usikwira ndiliko change eye shilingi lakini chinse mo chinyingi krokoli ya sense ya Kenya rero shilingi ya 1 bob tiri gokora amirimo gochakira chitilingi sana nga kero chinga kichigende tokusuka kusabuna matuka gende tokusuka value ye chibesa ensi ya Kenya niko egenderete guchinja kigima hasa mwaka 1967 tukatwale ko cent yu ya tote 5 cents 10 cents na avoigo 25 50 cents na 1 shilling enche inkagretinga asechige yunaikerete yarago kore merimo 50 cents kware kogenda ni shilling yamo kwagora chiko ibere nga kwa kuchiko ibere go yamo 50 cents kero bwate somoni eri tware somoni eri kero bwate ibere nga igo bono charo siri 1 bob kwagenda esomoni eri kwegwa chiko ibere timanyanga rero nonye chikonjire ase ebioski kurinde etari mang'ana na chingaki chigenderete amugose na mutuka konya gonchoreria ngabono rero nonye eshilingi nabo konyora koyenyora nyombo gosochi bwate lakini tori gochikorera mirimo lakini mutukari ekira twabwate 50 cent igona bokumanya yenga ekero ayogokina mbese kiyiga kwari gutumika gose pesa yarenge eya iseke gimanereri abantu mbere batumigete yiga 5 cents 10 cents icho twarenge korora kwari konyora pesa ketenene nyumba tikwamanya mpaka chirinya keba kurende nekira ongendete gukumanyanga ningiekogera chibiche chigachi gotoka ase chi pesa ukonyerenge gente getangana historical tradition kusenekira tukorigereria amang'ana yege koro giakera ense chinse ichi nyinge kwari konyora ng'abara ibe chinse icho nabo bagochora ebicha yaenere gotoka ase besa asiki munenjere yamo yokubainyoria naki abantu gose gati y'abarayi bari banyarirete gukoba abeng'encho mono ase okwaneka ng'a ense yo yagendereire gose yanyorire oburayi obuya nane ntubwate monarchs abarayi mbare baraberire gose okonyora babwate amang'ana buna king queen okonyora amang'ana ayeiga agenderete gutigara oburayi buno bogendete gutigara gose omurayi oyo maberire segeka okonyora ng'omurayi oyiga ase chibesa chionsi chigendete koroswa ase ense iyo ebicha yae nere aroro na boigo tokorigereria a symbolic representation ebesa nabe gochorwa omorayi bwense gose omunyama naseki eye nenjere yemo yokorokia ng'a gose national identity ntubwate enchera nero rarore besa getiga kwamanya esimbo yiga ni yense gete na ekero kurigeria sense ya Kenya nonye bendera nigokorora ng'a osekero kwarorire besa ya Kenya nabo kumanya ebesa yiga ne ya Kenya ikiagera ebintu biri gose features chiri ase besa eri nigo chiko ya associate nense ya Kenya na boigo ntubwate iconic features anamono ekero tugukana muna bonense ya Tanzania sikorigereria ebesa ya Tanzania na bokora chibicha gitu kwamanya ng'a eyiga tibwikaine besa yense ya Kenya bono ndo chingense ya Kenya na nderero chibicha bono chitwa bwate bune chiabarayi rero nchiri gutumika ase chibesa rero tubwate buna nakomanya ng'a amanoti ya koro 50 bakeri bweyemo amanoti ya nabwate chibicha nande nchibwate ekio chikorokia nabo igo ntubwate inclusion amang'ana akose European Union nigo yachagetia amang'ana yega yokoreta chibesa chiga chitware texture eng'ago okonyora ng'ebesa erikero okoyekuna enchera nere ekoigwekana gose kere bwate chorire totebe ne omorayi gete bwate ebicha ya omonto gete abantu mbarabaiga batari korora ekera akobwate ebesa ago feel the texture gose akoigwa buna ekwara amara ari nabo omonto akomanya ng'a eyiga netiga ne chishilingi 10 kwang'a echiga ne 20 gose enoti eyiga kwang'a ne enoti yemia yamo mete it's funny umuntu nabakubwate ebesa linotiga amanya ng'a linotiga eliga nerieriwe eyemo eiga 500 umuntu tari korora igo ng'a ukochorwa koriko ebinto tofauti ase ebesa nkokonya bire nonya abantu abaiga abamenyete gose abantu abamenyete noborema nene muno bari batari korora gose bari bakotumeka ebiara amawokabo ko feel gose kokora ebinto ebinge mwancho umorigere negati yabo nekero tukuri ng'a egati usamo tukamagega twabete bicha ya mzee Jomo Kenyatta ebicha ya Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi ase ebesa nere Mwai Kibaki kine kero eko mwaka 2019 amang'ana yechi bicha chiabara ibense kube kwasi chibesa serikali ekanyara koimokie getambukiro ng'a nande konyora yabekirwa ase katiba ya 2010 ebicha yomuraite basakobe kwaro aseki ogukora amang'ana yobogisaku nabo igokoreta abantu bonsi amo anene mono abakenya iyigane ng'ana yanyarete kwikiraniwa gose yanyarete kuba proposed as ekero tukurigereria ase a constitution ekatibe ya 2010 iyo egokora emirimo gose ekenderete gutumikira goika boniga kire igetumaka 2019 chibesa chigachaka guchinja tuganza korora amanoti andagochare green andagochare ekala arenchera gitukurigeria ng'aye kwamanya ye 200 ye 500 enya kire omonto atabaneti sana kubwata amanoti ya igamba yanga bono ige miaka ndo chingi miaka sita gochikora ebintu bya change besa chiri chinkoro rero nonye kire okoyorora okwegosa na abo igondo chinga ebichi bicha chiabarayi rero amang'ana tobwate na amang'ana wildlife ng'a ense ya Kenya sing'encho nemanyire koba kense egati echinse chiri chibwate amang'ana yokogokia batari kegima ane mono nekero tukurigereria wildlife igo bono ense ya Kenya chibesa chia Kenya buna nakomanya rero nigo chibwate chibicha chiabanyama amang'ana ariyo gotwara ebicha y'omonto ase ebesa ense ya Kenya yakora mang'ana y'obogesaku mang'ana y'ogotaka korigereria abaraigete na nigo barenge special mono nigo nyarete gokorwa ase mwaka ore 2019 ebesa yeri yamo nigachorire enchogu 500 igachorwe simba 200 igachorwe rhino na boigo yemie yemo igachorwa leopard gose ichui na boigo eri ya 50 igachorwe buffalo omwancho murigereria ndache kogenda se omutimo komokereri ndekera ngoira nane chigazeti cheri tukoria rero tugendere koba tugusanga anaye mumanyi agotebangana ziporoye ere obokire na babori ari musioma buchuke machoka na bandi abange kerako bateya boigo abarigereria bonsi bagendere koba imi yagetembe TV igo mwancho murigereria gendera gutigara imi yo moroberi ngoira na nyare gusanga namange korende ndiborire ryo nditigarete nkiye kugere besa echorire aye nkio manyete ebese yakonyore echorire bicha y'omonto nonye naye kware kuba muraibu ense ebicha yawo etoke chibesa chonse aba Kenya bagotumeka ng'ebicha yawo nero ere aroro eyo neng'ane ngia nande nkio kagerite ng'a yarenge gochokobera eyeng'encho kigima mutumuka moke halafu chigazeti chiri tukoria rero.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iyuekonia ebinto ao ebikiranu na ase amagori amaya kegema nkonia bale chicho echuchimanye kaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na echekerero echuchikurwa ase chikambani ao na asamagori amaya kegema B-trap toilets boigo nkonia bale wash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa ase chikambani ao mbabwate and wash cabinets Kerero chingi ya kirage na echibirengo bigoro mono tibweba amagori abonigo agukwana no mubuko yani amagori agukwana naye kegema nkoni bale shower mixers chekerero taps gusi ibitacho ebi ya kegema kurwasi company ao koni bale ebinto byechibafu gusi bathroom accessories bunabono towel racks soap dispensers tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gosecho kone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echo siri ekerero na kurwasi company ao na se chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves non-returns water meters foot valves PPR fittings HDPE fittings edukebo igo nkoni bale IPS fittings pressure fittings GI fittings ball valves nebinde ebinge mbabwate gutter fittings PPR rolls na PTG gutters asensemu yende mbabwate waste pipes aseboigo bakonye chitanki chamache chibirengo ao asamaguri amaya kurwasi chikambani ao naboko batalera ase ebara ya kisi kisomo barabare neduka ya watu asenchira ekogenda daracha 2 echiro gosoba kere esimi ase enamba 0712242915 boigomba bwate urusagi ase ensemo ya Nyamira Vimad Hardware and Plumbing Center asamaguri amaya kera engaki.
Your life.
Shah Ceramics nigobago kwa a special offer bunno iga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emronge toto nigo kwa growth kilo isato bosa gukora chikaton meronge ta nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa gukora chikaton emrongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emrongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size and onse niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703 943972 ajirira gocha aseduka yabere Kansas Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago na Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
incheno manyagitari clinic maubanye omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo muchito bosongo nainde ni gonta getoko bari gani mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo over services chekerero tugotumia ububwenia bwekerero technology yo kurigererio mubero omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umuchanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yaito ni gotunya rusiti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse bunabono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni goto kurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande nare to kurusia somo cho India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere to kubwenia abantu abange nande ni gare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kyagera na yemete igo karibu sana ase nyagitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center.
Nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717617383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia.
Omogusi, are you ready for this? Omunyangongo na Boigo Omobuyi Asaboteri Pastor Milk Rubo. Boigo oli omuredia w'omurubiri w'omusasuku eJumapili ase TV yaone radio ya Getembe nigo akuchingira emyaka 35 y'obukoreri bya inse y'Ubukristo na kurandia enchili. Watana amonere chinga kichiga akuchingira emyaka ya 35 chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyu chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyu Buyiga urakorekane ase kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Chapel imeyo muchudiga obusungo muchakira chinsebire chamambia wika chinse 11 chamagoroba mwensi mwariganirigwe musesenigwe. Amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asa amatuko ali busyo ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukora Yesukuru asoraire omwana wo ayanyorera obumanyi nanene w'ekikosi ky'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono elya ya Building and Civil Engineering ase tokubundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Civil Engineering Level 6, Building Arts and Masonry Level 4, Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5, Carpentry and Joinery Level 4, Land Survey Level 5 na Boigona Level 6 egati chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore Boigo ekosa Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokubundisa Electricity Installation, Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na Boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies, Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6, Horticulture Level 5 na Boigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na Boigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6, Records and Archives Management Level 5 na Boigo na Level 6 ejitumela asensema ya Community and Online Working imeyeskuru yiga ya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ebiraga nibigotumeka ale nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design ase level ya 4 na Boigo neli ya 5 ase omuraki wa akwebundisa akwenyorera ubumanyi obora mubeka silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkoigeli ya Boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha Cosmetology nigotokwigelia Beauty Therapy Level 4 na Level 5, Hairdressing Level 4 na Boigo na Level 5 nyuranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi bwekerero unabono Hairdressing, Pedicure, Manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge Boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering ase tokubundisa Automotive Arts Level 4, Automotive Engineering level 5 na level 6 asabe gotokubundisa welding and fabrication level 4 ajirira moretu mwanu ainyorere obumenyo bwiga na bono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egendrete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka asamange na gutarira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose na bogwaka esimu gwetera zachi namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera obumanye iri wibekiri bagari rya asense yiga yo kwerwanirira
amarietane nere kimisuko na ere kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nuga pesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato bokoreri bwayo buyakigima na kobwamone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echi chiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nuga pesi etobwato bokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusia asa tambe twaberire gaiga asege kege tambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegete kyomo gongo gwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetali chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetali to yanuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyogo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo bogotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilitaria ana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire korinya getari na irunya getari paka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura doke nganari no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbio mubiro yo gwati wotari korara era tigaike gaje senya getari yanu ga besti elinde mokonde munanyi gwetenga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumbara kini bono ko nyara konchole bigoti nyigwetenga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwena ande bono
Samarieta kongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitari yanuga besti nogo tonyora asama gacho Towers second floor tirongo piakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara korigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Towers ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndakikishere omogusi yominto nuga besi nero yokere aso mutio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi migwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 nuga best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenia gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimero ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miyensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora e channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your StarTimes decoder. Download the StarTimes On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya segeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere sinigwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.kerukatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keruka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iye konia ebintu ao ebikiranu na ase amagoli amaya kegema nkoni bale chicho echuchimanye kaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na echekerero echuchikurwa ase company ao na asamagoli amaya kegema B-trap toilets boigo nkoni bale chi wash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa ase company ao mbabwate and wash cabinets chekerero mono chingi ya kirage na echibirengo bigoro mono tibweba amagori abonigo agukwana no mubuko yani amagori agukwana naye kegema nkoni abale shower mixers chekerero taps gusi ibitacho ebi ya kegema kurwasi company ao koni abale ebinto byechi bafu gusi bathroom accessories buna bono towel racks soap dispensers tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gusi chokone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echuchiro siri ekerero na kurwasi company ao na si chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves nan returns water meters foot valves PPR fittings HDPE fittings edukebo igo nkone bale IPS fittings pressure fittings GI fittings ball valves nebinde ebinge mbabwate gutter fittings PPR rolls na PTG gutters asensemu yende mbabwate waste pipes asebo igo bakoni chitanki chamache chibirengo ao asamaguri amaya kurwasi company ao naboko batalera ase ebara ya kisi kisomo barabare neduka ya watu asenchira ekogenda daraja 2 echiro gosobakire esimi ase enamba 0712242915 boigomba bwate urusagi ase ensemo ya Nyamira Vimad Hardware and Plumbing Center asamaguri amaya kera engaki.
Your life.
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer bonoiga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emeronge toto ni gokwa growth kilo isato bosa gokora chikaton meronge tani gokwa kilo isano na isato bosa gokora chikaton emerongo etano ne tato ni gokwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endeonse Niko okoegwa eye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya bere Kansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho murigere karibu sana stage gazeti cheritko ya rero ndo chinge biro bio niko bya minyokire kurende omanyetinga chigazeti chinonyesi chikoru chekira aiga nkora nabo amangana na mangi agendrete ase chipara nabo igo na sinonya ase wonchoreria kurende ndo chinga chekire gazeti ya The Standard niko ndo chinga ndi wate ingana abwa ingana eraiga yogukumya kima nene muno nekero tukumurikira serikali nabo igo igazeti ya Daily Nation nero ekirengorigereria ero nigo nero ebwate aiga amagacho ndoche gukwanera igoro ya magacho ayo anyarite kugwa rituko ria igoro kurinde ne kirongo tigana aneyo ne ya egazeti iga ya Taifa Leo nero engana ewataiga neyo mulima ndoche niyo kwana mangana Mount Kenya na bono nigo mulima uyo chakire kolipuka kigima matuka makema gigayo murai wense ukoreta ro chase chinsemecho karende kenda busanga na inchi chinsemo cha Facebook na YouTube na boyo wetire namba yesimi egazeti eyiga ya The Standard nekero onkorigereria ebicha eraiga nigere abwate chibicha cha bantu okay chibicha chirabu ni chimwamu nigondo chekoro kianga House of Deals amaga charabu na ya ikuru enene kose State House nekira batanga House of Deals ene nyomba yechidili yo wakachidili bono ngabono State House tari na india magacho ako represent kusakoro kiobonene iga asense ya Kenya tari magachari yo muraivense akobera bono nigo yarekane una State House nigo ere enyomba yo kokora biashara kose yoko rosia chidile korosia enivo egota wheeler dealing. State House is the hallowed residence of the president and carries the nation's heritage apart from being the center of power. Nganigo ekoro kia kose nigebwate mangana ekoro kiobo obo kose egekoro kia ba Kenya kurwa amatuko ayega na boyo ekoro kiobo nene na boyo chinguru kigima na nini gira obomenyo bomuraibense korende but recent claims are depicting the house on the hill as grounds of patronage, plunder and pillage under the president's watch. Ngabono nigo yarorekanire ingana ere ngabono nigo amagacho ikulu arorekanire ne nyumba yogokora amangana gite atari amangana gite atari yobwasioku namangana yogoikirania ebintu gite chidili gite chigo saini gwaroro amachika kubwatu kukurasi nyumba etari amaikirano chibe saini bobono no ebiasara go sabantu bali bamanyaine no muraibwense bono no bagokorera ebiasara byabo ni gazeti ya The Standard elio nigo lirelingana limwamu na boigo ebicherabu moncho murigire nyendirie nga kware konyerera ebicha chiregabu nigo chire chibicha chimwamu kigima gusa abantu babegete chianga chimwamu metekero muntu okonyoranga babegete chianga chimwamu ekoro kinjira gose oboke bago gose abantu bago kurubusaria ekire bono nebicha yo muraibwense no erabo kiraikara kigima nabo abantu abamwamu ngandigo bagende tukukwanira asomosunte mena binge abantu bakugambira okonyoranga abantu bakubangira chidile asegesunte chidile echo otambe nchanya koba ngia page ya kane gazeti yiga ya The Standard egotebanga power, plunder and patronage. Rise of Kenya's Center of Deals. Ngabono nigo yarorekande gukina kema ko benyomba yogokora amangana yo. The recent claims by former senior government officials have thrown shade at State House. Bona bara ya baiga babiri bagokora emirimo ase serikali nigo banyare korokia gose bacha kire gosokia chibicha gose chibicha chimbechi echo igoro yebiasara gose amangana lya okorekana asamagacho ikulu. Yotanga the ex-officials say the deals being cut in State House are personal. Chi deal chiribona nakumanya ekubwatekana na kiomanyaine nomurai iboensinga at a personal level monto ki na monto gete ngomanyite ari asamagacho ikulu na boigo ribaga dia ontreli na rierio mwanyara waka chi deal abo osenga nali na kio yekoira chidile chichanyara wakero asamagacho ikulu inengana ere eyogo chana kigima na boigo nekerondo chepeji ya kabiraiga egokwandira mangana drama festival echo chigendrete ase ensi ya Kenya koro ose ase chinsemo korende nekerondo chinga koroiga ase county eri ya Nakuru ntobwate mochezo gose okoegia kore egaiga kokorekana komanyekana temna Echoes of War yene ngana yabeke gukwanire wiki yengima ngabono okotero ukuko se lishairi ria bana bo bono nigo ria letire libira litindi ane mono nekiro ria nyalete koba gose nigo yarakanete ngabana baiga engane yiga banyalete gukora gose banyalete kwegeriwa nengana yoko yatake gose yoko murekera serikali mono naboigo gukwanira mabe onsi aliagendrete ase serikali ya Kenya egotanga dramas police ba malala from student camp uyu kabere omoliki omonene bwikiama kia rikio monene bwi kia UDA asensi ya Kenya Cleophas Malala uyu nyarite gucoka ande ake umakwita nigo bono arorekanete gose nigo bono nere uri nyarite kurika risha iri gucogoterwo kwa bana abo bono iyo yanyarite koreta ribaga usumu chando monene kima abana abo barabanyaruka bakorwa ase skuru ya Butere Girls nigo bono banyarite go perform engane yo bono yo yanyarite kuboka ose banyarite kurukia engane yo yanyarite kubokia riberera litindi ase serikali korende litukoria rero litukoria Alhamisi nekero bagochiko perform ase county yo ya Nakuru nigo bono yarekanete ya obotutukanu banyarite kuba bokonekiwa makiga yere Cleophas Malala ekirare goso ase chinseme cyose kiraringa senseme yo ya Nakuru kuna nchire ya moyo gukora mariganio yerituko ria rero ase omuchizo yo riko chukwanekiwa usokimina nekyo gekare kwanekiwa nigo bono anyarite koba kagutangwa n'abanyanyimbo eyirete ngane entindi gose obobe bukanyara kwanekiwa ase chinseme chekera abantu barutere tuchitia gasa abantu bagatigiro chingoma chimbe nonye mwanjo muri ngabariki bamangana mbari banyorete chingoma kubwatikana ningane yunga bono Cleophas Malala niga gutangwa tachi goikirania gusitachiko eneki gusitachiko toka ekera abaroki wabaiga bagochiko na gose bagochigotenena na kubika ogoteruko kwabo lituko ria rero kukomanyikante buna Echoes of War ekere kumurikira gusongane yo ekumurikira amabe onsi ali akorekanire ime ya serikali na kiserikali okore ebintu byaye na boigo ekokora asinjira ya bali bamanyekanete gose bali bago control ya serikali kigima na boigo amabe ali abiriga kwaniki na morobuna ugochererwa kwabasai na boigo ogosira kwabantu asikinjira chitali chindonge abo kiwabo babutere girls nigo bono banyarite kumukia mabirira matindi one yo yaretire abakenya bange bachakire gutwara amabolio na epeji ya gatatu ndoche gotebanga speaker suspends ELMP over altercation nganaraiga oyore mwancho murigire tokorigire bungeri ya East Africa Legislative Assembly ntobwate ya assembly ya kurosoro Kongo rwa East Africa korende ndocengani gobono omo speaker anyarite kumutuguterare omo bungo yomo oyo akotoka sige karekyo magiga yere gotoka ngani gachagete gutwara ukoiranirania bobe hekero barenge ase egikaro gose ase bunge yo gotigana nayo na page ya gatano ekotebanga regulating net tug of war between online freedoms and societal order ninki inga enchera yaro berege korokana ukungusana na ngororo asobo tumeki ebwe mitandao ya kijamii gosekera abantu ba access internet nigo bono ya berege koleta umuchando omobe ikigimanga bono bosibole boli abantu babwate bogutumika igoro tonyarite gukwanira mangana iyo gutumika kwe mitandao ya kijamii ana mono kirtwari kurigire chinse mochiri cha X gose Twitter na boigo akero to kurigire chinse mubune cha Facebook rero baka TikTok iyo gutumika kigima kurende nigondo jenga kungusana na wachakire kwenekiwa ase ensemo yega ya ubutumiki bwe mitandao nene muno oyo tenete kiombe kiga kia National Intelligence Service gose NIS Director omanyikirite na Nudin Aji niganyarite gotebanga although free speech is vital for our democratic freedoms, it's essential to find a delicate balance between national security and the right to free expression. Ngapondo nonye amangana ayega yobosibole kanya kose kancheire asogutumika kwe mitandao nebwenerete omorembe kose oborendi bunyare kwenekiwa magiga yakeringa abantu bobonete gutumika emitandao ase in a responsible way. Na boigo page ya gatano narimo ndoche gotebanga eyes on county agencies as KDF brings down 11-story building. Apoigo umwancho murigera ndochinga magacho naraiga anyarete kobekwa nse ekegima lituko origoro ase chinse mochiri cha Bondeni ime county ya Mombasa ekero yarorekanete buna aba nyanyimbo ba ekose abana jeshi amajeshi ya KDF naro anyarite koreta building eyo gose egorofa eyo ebwate chigorofa amarongo 14 bono nigo yachakire koreta ama imechando emenene kusama boria manene ane muno ase chinse mecho na boigo nekero tukuriga negendete gukwana mang'ana iga a judiciary naki ensemo iyiga yikigambero erigetie gochikomenta gose gukinia uchumi asense ya Kenya by 68.9 billion. The judiciary's mediation plan boosts economy by 68.9 billion, says Koome. Chief Justice liganyarite gotebanga ni gobono yarorekanire nga ukubanga use emirobere nere ekigambiro kiabwate eyo ekigambiro kiwata sense ya Kenya yo gochikwira ense ya Kenya kwenyorera chibesa chire witana chiri chibilion 50 nomo na boigo tukurigiria igati ya yande ali agenderete. Northern Kenya suffers in silence after USAID cut-off. Decisions taken thousands of kilometers away are felt hard in Turkana County. Nigo bono yarorekanire nga amariogo nemono gero tuguri county bune ya Turkana nigo abantu abaiga bamenyerete gose bategemete amariogo yega ari kubatu kwane kyombekeri kia USAID. Korende bono ensemo ekero yarorekanire buna ekyombekega kia USAID ngeri gochikubatu kamario gayo metekera tukwanira Northern Kenya nasi tukwanira ase ense ya ukame ense nkamuku kigima ase no nyembure tari gutwa ase abantu abara bataka anande baganetio bokonyi bwabwango okonyoranga chinsemo chire Northern Kenya nigo chirare kigima okonyoranga nonye esingincho climate keraroro ngabantu mbari kusabantu bamenyetaro nigo konyora bagwetera makongo konyora mache tayo mpaka netio bokonyi anene mono tukuriga sense mo yobo wena tari buna chi county buna bona kirukuriga county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira waso mo chobosongo kwanyora ngachija gitari nigo chirekerase na ndebo nabantu mbabwati nchira yo kwenyorere nibo asingincho ukuriga rugongo rwa gusiendagira nkwamire bintongo babire nabo amangana buna yoboremi agosegeta abantu kwanyora nkwenyorera bari no nyebesa yo kwenyorera endagira na boigo no nyamariogo. Lakini kaunti ya Turkana asokonyoranga chinga kichinyinge ebintu mbiri ebikwa mararo nigo bategemete emisaada kurwase chinse gose byombe bitari bya serikali na boiga serikali ya Kenya. Bona kyombe ekiga kia USAID ekero gitari gochikubwatu kagose kubwatekana nenseri ya Marekani kwerusana ne asoko konya gusoko ena no gusira gochase chinse buna Kenya nigo bono ekyombe ekiga kia USAID konyora kibwateri bagari nase county ya Turkana. Korinde igondo chinga egendrete kumurikira nigo bono abantu abange aiga ase chinse mecho banyarite gukumia gose bagendete ko abo akigima ngobugima bwabo bwagosereriwe kiagera bono amario gobunari iyo kurigirio borire buna bono measles gose gutanga borire bwa measles na boigo HIV bono nigo bagendete gucandika kema mbabwati obokonyi ayo nayo ari asense mwiri iyo bocheno na boigo mancho morigere nekera otokorigerera aiga ndochenga police forced to get vital boost with the recruitment of 10,000 new officers ngabono nande abanyanyimbo gosikyumbikiriki abanyanyimbo gochikire nande kolika abanyanyimbo bande chiri bukomi erio komenta gose kotema gosegeta gose gosira ansemo eyo na boigo confusion violence and alleged abductions rock ODM elections obochori oboiga abwa grassroots gosebwa mashinani abwa kiama kirikia ODM kirabogenderete moncho murigere konya na koreteire asia yatikire egoseke unga chinsa 12 ekirobochori oboiga bogendete mbakorekana tase county ya Kisii tukurigire buna bono ebunge eri ya Kitutu Chache South ebunge eri ya Nyaribari Chache mbwanyarate gukorekana lakini bwaringi bwo botoire rukima na boigo bwo murembe utatiga chinsa monchire buna bono kiro tukurigire ase chikaunti nchiroro chenyarete gutwara umuchando manene nekirondo chenga umusaina rero nyarete kubuturwa kuboko wiki ekere guchaka ekiro bucha obochori obogenderetane muno tokumurikire kaunti yo ya Homa Bay bono ntuchenga mugano yo no rumurikire iga ngani go bono kufututu kanu babaire bokwanekiwa asobochori oboigo bokoboke wekyama kia ODM. Na page ikumi na kabiri, students showcase innovation at National Science Fair in Embu. Abaiga nigegende tukwanire koro yes chinsemo kuse wizara eri yitisemi hane mono nekeregendete kumurikira naki aborokiwa bagendete kworokia obumanyi buli babwate na boigo chingurujiri babwate ane mono ase amasomo otatiga nigikomurikira yaiga koro ase county ya Embu na boigo house team protests stalled projects in Tibet ngabona kiro tukuria sama gacho yetu skuru cho bobundi asensi ya Kenya ni gobono ekorokana nga ababunge bachakire gukwanira engane yo nekiro bagotebanga nigo amagacha mange gose infrastructure nyinge ebeteke gukwama anne mono ase TVET institutions ase ense ya Kenya na aboigo gutigana nayo ndochinga aiga mbale basangete ebirengereria binge nga shulde Kalonzo step aside and support Matiang'i okuno kubolia gusenekerengereri kyo muntu asenze mayiga ya opinion nga ni gobono Kalonzo abwanete gutiga amangana yiga agenderete gusanyare gutene na kigima na boigo komusira amuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i na boigo ndatinga amangana ayo nigo ambararo naro o itabranete enengane yega na boigo naro kanete engane yo na gutigana anayo ndoche na sense mo yende ndochenga academic degree certificates are no longer enough nga konyora maskara yechi degree ose chi certificate chechi degree bono nchiri goisana chioka yo negati ebirengere nga there is much beyond konyora a certificate ye degree nga okero kwa somire konyore amaskara yo ngatari oka aisaine yo nebirengere konyora ngano kanira mangana muno ko SM komenya nabantu manganande anabukogenda komenta amasomo na aboigo don't take political wars to our places of worship ngatiga kogendera kuira amangana yiga chisegi echiga chigotoka chiage siasa kuikira ase chinyomba chioko sasima kosi chinyomba che visasimero na abande bagendete gukwanda mange nga Africa should rethink its economic ties nga bonense kosoro gongoro Africa bone china chichingaki robonete koenekia umna rwanyare ko konyora inchira yogwetenera na mona samangana akiuchumi kyagera bono konyora nga misadeli yarinki gorwa se chinse chesko bono terigo chugo chaiga ase ense ya Kenya singincho ebiro mwanjo murigereria tyandigereria egazeti ya Daily Nation yeritko oriarero gazeti ya Daily Nation nigo ondoche eringana rimwamu rikoranga Ruto linked farm wins back 13 billion land ngobole mbole bobwate gose company nere kigima aiga asense ya Kenya eyo ere gose usikanete no muraibense muske William Ruto nekiro bono ngabono yanyarite kwebwera ngobole mbole ebwate bwa 13 billion korende ngekinekyo e company yo gose ensemble yo yanyarite kyombikyo yanyarite kwebwera ekinekyo ngabono ngochikire koirania gose ngochike kore gose kyombikyo e company yo ngogenderere ke magotwara obole mobwe page ya kane ni ya gatano nekirondo chegotebanga ngobore mubura sichinse mochiri achiarwai bono nigo obwanyarite gusikiniki kyanyarite kubwa korende nigo engane yo ekubwaterania gusobore mubu obwateranirie kobanga omorai wense muski William Ruto na bwate okoboko asense miyo gota salary at the company's registry. The file containing ownership details of the Renton Company Limited has been missing for years, while the business registration service portal also has no records of the firm's ownership or directors. Ngabona batenete ekiombe kyo sebatenete obore mobu oyo bwate company eyo tarabaga kumanyika asemi yake mengi kyagara chifile echo nigo cyabere chiko tigaraga abo nganonye asichi abisi kiri cyamaremo korende bono nigekorokana nga ombore mobu nigo bobwateraniri nere umurai ibwensi ni gazeti ya The Standard yerituko oria rero gotigana nayo ekero togosuka bosyo nko kwanderero mu bungo yoyo mokorasi bungeri ya East Africa bose iala oyo obete kagoto kanganika kwanete bobe gose kwamerania anyarite kwamereria kigima abose bunge korenda kanyara kutukuto isko na boigo how Trump tariffs will hit Kenyans ncheraki amachikali au moske Donald Trump muraiwensi America anyarite ko bwatoka arachi koreto muchano monne asensi ya Kenya textiles manufacturing and exports to the US support hundreds of thousands of jobs directly and indirectly ekero tukurigire bono buna bono obosoni chiange chigakonyora chigosondwa chatumwa gucha sensi yo ya Marekani bono nekira gukana nga amngana yo tari gochikoba ga koikiraniwa nga yeganira leto muchano monge tubate company gosona changa chia gosoka isiko buna bono export processing zones manikana tamuna EPZ aichochire chinyinge gosechire kwetania yamo aiga sense ya Kenya bono nigekorokana nga bono abari bakoremera maro bachikuchandika keima naboigo nechikoreto bokongo bonenane mono ase inse ya Kenya nemono tukurigira sta mangana a uchumi na boigo police boss speaks on Gachagua attack as he warns against the political thuggery na bono yomo Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja onyare gukwanira kusinanya alite gutiana keimanga ngo chara kwanekia amangana yaika yokonya kusaga no kose amangana yobo obo begu konya kwaneke wase chinsemo chinyinge bono ngoje bole ko keiwa hanene mono bali abona bali banyara kwikirania gusaba tagete kumo saga na omo oyo kabiro mokonyo bumurayi wense musikeri gari Gachagua sama tukaerire bali banyara teko yakora ayo ase ense mwiri ya Kasarani rituko ria Jumapili nga ngochiare ko kiani kwa kose gukorwa ke masense ya Kenya how KDF executed controlled demolition in Mombasa ayona mangana kende tukurigirirwa kigima nekirabono yatogetinga egorofa yechi floor ikomine yamo yanyalete ko yerirwa kigima ngabono enchiranere tinyomba tigendete kutagurwa ime county ya Mombasa bono yaletire amaboli amange ase aba Kenya we failed CS Murkomen now admits on Shakahola deaths bono umwaziri ori bobore ndi boime musiki Kipchumba Murkomen hanyale kuitabanga amaine serikali ya Kenya yanyalete ko kwa kose yanyalete korara kigima kubotekana na inganeri ya nyalete ko bagekwaneki wa ase chinsemo cha Shakahola nga ntwanyalete ko kuyiria aba Kenya. Interior Cabinet Secretary says the government should have done more to protect people's lives. Nge serikali ya wateri bagari ya bene kangoya nyalete kwenekia abangima y'abantu tachi tigosira na aboigo ayo negati ya yanda mangi na ekirongorigerera se amangana tukurigira amangana yega yichigosori anamono ese page ya kabere nekero tokwana drama festivals echichigenderete ase chinsemo ime yensi ya Kenya nigegotabanga creativity shines a spotlight on greed bad governance ngabono ebana baiga kusabaruki wa baiga ebintu banyarire gosokia chinga kichiga kuse amangana ali bakora se ensemo ya drama festival bono nigo akorokia obogundo na boigo burayo bobe obogende tukoneki wa serikali ya Kenya ne page ya gatatu ndoche nigegotebanga igoro ya violence kusinike gukwandira okunererwa na boigo goitwa kwa basubati egoteba 129 women killed since January as deadliest counties revealed ngigati echi county nchiroro chitangaine kima anemono se bikorwa bune biga bya bana banyaruka babiri bagoitwa goika ugukwa ngabono gusoma koyo chaka abanyaruka gusaba subati oika emia yamo na emironge vere na kianda banyale usiria makimabo asinjira yokonererwa na boigo ogoitwa onjo murigire kutikana ne gazeti yiga ndochangane ya gazeti ya Taifa Leo nero ebwate ayo egokwanera nekire gotebanga mulima walipuka heyero nige kumurikira mangana siasa nekire ekoeranga licha ya rais kufanya ziara ya kufana na kujitangaza mfalme mlimani hali bado ni tete ngabono no nyomurai bwense onyara gwitangaza kema koba umurai kose nga etaro yaye yamakindra gochasoro kongoro Mount Kenya nganiko yanyalite koba engikirano kose koba engi yakima niko bono yarorekane nga bado umuchando noraroro opora obobe mbore bogende tukonikiwa kubwatikana noborai obuiga nemono ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza nga bono ndochenga wakazi wanaonekana kulipuka kwa hasira hata baada ya Rais Ruto kujitangaza kiongozi wa jamii za eneo hilo na kuahidi kutekeleza miradi ya maendeleo. Ngano bono murai wese onyarete kutiana ng'ere no murai wa Bakenya abonsi babe aboro kongorwa muntu Kenya babe abakororo kongorwa Nyanza ngachinse mucho simba muitabite kore neni go yarorekane ngabono abamenyi gose bari baramba kore emeremo anene mono kurasi orokongorwa muntu Kenya bono niko obachakire kworokia obororo obotindi gosoko gechu obotindi nere Muske William Ruto. Page ni ya kabiri egotang'asira mlimani licha ya ziara ya Rais Ruto. Na kutikana nayo TSC yaanza kuwanoa walimu kwa maandalizi ya masomo ya grade 9. Ngabono ekiombekeriki ya TSC wase Teacher Service Commission ni gobono yachakire kuba tieri wase kuba oge ya abalimu kikima kubaena na amaigerio kuba amaigerio anene mono kwene kiabuna abanyare kutwara amaigerio iseine anene mono kusomia aikiredi kiri kia kianda asumoroberio iga OCBC. Na huigo 10 wajeruhiwa katika fujo za uchaguzi wa ODM. Ekero obochori obo bwa grassroots bwa ODM bogenderete gusobwa mashinani anemono asichinsemo niko bono ndochenga asichinsemo chiri cha Bondo county ya Siaya na aboigo abantu abanda banke gorasi county ya Homa Bay ngabona abantu gwikia mubaro w'abantu 10 bono batigirwe chingoma chimbe mwana ine page ya kabiri na aboigo ntubwate ayande amangi aibu wanasiasa wakilimana na kujivua heshima. Baadhi ya wanasiasa wameonekana wakigeukia vita na kusahau kuwa ni waheshimiwa. Ngabona nigo yarorekanire obosoku kima ensemo ya barai gosenga barai mbale bare abeshimiwa kegima asense ya Kenya babonete gutware taite ya abeshimiwa. Lakini bachakire kwena na obosoku kiagera nigo bachakire koramana ase abantu bakumira na ase mikutano kwanyora baramanire batete kwa gutwara chisegi na boigo bagukwana abobe gose bagukwana mangana atari aya maskani bosio obwa abantu mwana ine page ya gatatu na boigo ngukwanirira mangana Shakahola ekirego tebanga Shakahola serikali ya Kiri ilishindwa kulinda raia ayega ni kwana yae omwaziri w'uburendi bw'ime Muske Kipchumba Murkomen nekiranyarite goteba buna amaine serikali yaliaro yanyarite gotiga abakenya bagakwa maiso marore asi ngane yo ya Shakahola timanyanga ekiranyare gukwana iga nchiraki banyare gusembitambo kirukie serikali igenete kuimukia kwene kibuna amangana gose asi amatukale busio amangana buna yega abantu kunererwa gwetera ase ensemo eri yedini bono tari gochikwene kiwa page ya kane gotanga KDF ya bomoa jengo hatari la ghorofa 11 jijini Mombasa kwa ustadi mkuu. Ngabono ghorofa nere konyora ere ase chinsemecho iyo twakwa nere kora county yo ya Mombasa yibona korokana nga konyora tibwati usalama. Operesheni hiyo ilifanyika kufuatia ongezeko la hofu tangu April tarehe 2 mwaka huu. Jengo hilo lililokuwa hatari kwa usalama lilipoanza kuzama polepole. Ngabono egorofa iyo nigo yarorekana konyenga yachakire gosink gose kolimera gochinse konya yachakire kweberereka yachakire gotwara umuchando kigima korende nga amba na jeshi abaika ba KDF metekero konyora bakwende training bintu ne bingi bakwegerwa ngana bakwagacha echinyomba bunetiga ende nabo bagochitagora umete inyomba egorofa entambe kigima ese gutagurwa bobe nabo konyora nga yaletira sare nene ane mono gochase nonye chinyomba chire ange naroro nabo igo gosenga onyekirange ne para na pera basa gukora busari obonene lakini ngarende enchira amajesha yaika KDF anyarite ko yere gorofe yo niko yarenge enchira eire endonge kigima korende nga engane yo niko yachakire koreta osekoirera abakenya gutwara amaburi amange igoro ya oborendi ase ensi ya Kenya ne mona si county yo ya Mombasa nabo igo bwate igango kwanirire amangana yoboremi kutatika kurase county ya Lamu na boigo ofutele majangili magenge ya uhalifu ya kitesa wananchi ngabono nigo ababegu abasaria abaibi abaiti bagendete guchanda usekoreto obonge kegema ase abakenya anemono kurase chinsemo abo bono na ndinga nabasaye bagutumika kuikirania mangana bunayo vijana wahalifu wamekuwa na ujasiri wa ajabu kiasi cha kuweka vizuizi kwa barabara katika baadhi ya maeneo huku wakivizia watu ngabona abasaini go bachakire gosoka nonye mpara banyara kubika ebitango ase chipara erinde banyara gokora obusagani nga rero nigo babwate oboremu obonge gwetania ekerengo na boigo gotigana nayo ndochingana ndikora ase chinsemo chiria che county ya Machakos naro bono ndochinge bikarombia nyarete guteneniwa makega yaba MCA kurwana taringa kurasoro kongoruka rwa gusiroka county ya Machakos naro aba MCA mbanyarete kurwana litukoria Jumanne ekera bono iyo yerirete gusingana iyo yanyarete koreta omuchando omonge na boigo ekerera omo speaker of county assembly ya Machakos akanyara gutuguterare ebikaro byaba MCA na gutigana nayo ndobwate nga ensemweri ya Nyando nigo county ya Kisumu nigo bono etoigo egenderete ko etoigo iri guchiene kiwarra kero asekero nigo bono serikali guchugutumia 100 million chimilioni emia yamo erikwane kinga yanyarire korosia asayu chinsemo cha Nyando anyarire korosi gwabuya gosikorosia chidaik enchira eyemo yogutanga aya machi gusekera machari abeire amange etoige gate guchigoswa ase emichi y'abantu gusite guchiyanya arakoreto muchano monne ase chinsemo icho cha Nyando na gotigana nayo ndochenga Nyojenga anaraigo sangete kerengere gane kirago tebanga wanasiasa waige Rose Muhando wajitolea kwa yote wafanya ngaba na siasa bonsi ekera bagokora emirimo eri bagokora bakore emirimo yu ase omoyo yomo enchera Rose Muhando agwituma erinde banyara kwenana obokoreri obuya gochi ase aba Kenya nga tunachojifunza kwa Rose Muhando ni kuwa ukipewa jukumu fanya kwa dhati ya moyo wako, vizazi vitakukumbuka. Ama ene ekirondo chengo morikyo yiga ekira kwanera moteri oyo mukuru wa senseri ya Tanzania oyo obeire ase miaka emingi sana na ndogotera matera yege dini ose yege Kristo omanyikana tamuna omusubati Rose Muhando pono ngani gabere ka gochinkuma kigima nganonye n'umwana omukena bakumanya ngotero kwega no kwa Rose Muhando ngenchera bune yu nero ababunge ose abakori emirimo no mono abanasiasa babonete gukorera abakenya emirimo erinde batigare babe bakoba inyoro na aboigo ndochenkumurikirire ngane eri ya marieta atano na nerimo anyarite komento ase list y'abantu bari guchikorigia gose bari bako bagendete kurigirerirwa gochakoba aba commissioner na boigo omo chairman ase ikiumikirikia IEBC ndocha gotanga kupenyezwa kwa majina 6 kunatia shaka teuzi za IEBC na wana nigo ngane yunero yachakire koreta amaburi amanene ngabono ebiasara byachakire kubura ngabono ense ya Kenya ngochire guchandika ekigi manene muno ekirakororokana nga Rais Trump niganyarire ko kana gose achakire koreta omuchando omonene kubatukana nebitambukiro biri abeire kako imukiana na mono ekirondo chingabekire chibaria gose bitango igoro ya mangana iyo obonchoreria obubogo korekana gocha kurwa sense ya Amerika gocha sichinse chinde ubabe wa kibiashara Rais Trump akitekeleza sera tata za kiuchumi abono ebiasara ngochibire kubara abakenya ngochibare kuborwa chi customer na mono kira machiko anyale kubekwa ama tindi ikegema kutigana nayo gusene gazeti yiga ya Taifa Leo yeritukoria rero mwancho murigiriria ase ubwango muno ndochinga ni gazeti ya People Daily nero nibwate ayo emurikirete litukeriga ndochinga ringana limwamu egoteba nga what a shame nkiukwaniriga nga Speaker Wetangula reads the Riot Act after MPs engage in dirty brawl at Parliament over differences associated with interest for Garissa County women rep seat. Ngabono nigo omo Speaker Wetangula anyarete gosoma ngaki chikori goteba anene muno karo yarrekane tengekiro kirike bo women rep ya county ya Garissa enchiranere kya bereke gukwanerwa iyo yerete nga abali bagendete gukwanda siasa ye county yo bakanyara kuramana ase bunge korende karo togotigana nayo ntobwate abande abangi mwanjo murigereria nga women with disability shine in climate action ekira tukuria mangana yugonchoria kwirire nigo bono abasubati bari bamenyete no bore manga babiri bakorekana se bari somustari obosyo kima kwaneke nga banjalire gusira amangana yogotanga obubi buri bokoretwa nogonchoreria akwirire ayo nayo ari asigazitiga ya Taifa Leo igazeti ya People Daily irituko riarero na here the Star egotabanga Kenyan e-visa cash wired to Swiss bank yeni ukwana mangana visa na boigo ni bintu binde bingiana na mona se bari bagenderete gukora gose bari bakurigia kotara gucha ase chinse chesko hanana mona kiro to kwanda chinsemo gose chinse chiri abantu bamanyete nga nigo bono chiachire bosi yake konyara bakwenda bachikorigia emirimo na how KDF to down condemned Mombasa building ekero to kwanda magacha yo hikonti ya Mombasa yo aligererigo kurase chigazeti chinde aiga bonjo murigerea ndochenga ayo naro nabwate ase ose ayona arare amanene kima ase chigazeti cheri tukeriga diarero na kukuboria onyare kugendera gusanga na inje nekirango tukagenda ase mutumo komo kerinde ase egekekere bose na inde mwancho murigeria tunyare kugendera gusanga naye alia agenderete korende ndochenga Damien Aleki firstborn na Jonathan Jehu to barime yo morobere na Vanilla Vene nere itabiri agotebanga good morning igo nekiro tugenderete kurigereria ayo na yanda mange nigo kukuboria bakende koba kugusanga ekirengereri kyao kurenera kuboria omwancho buri na bwateri boria iga ekiro na kuboringa ayekero gukina efesa kwale gutwara musebeza kwale gutumika ebicha ne ya muraiki yabwate na ndingi gerokagerete nga ebiche yubaka yale gutoka kiro kende ne bicha yae omusike Jomo Kenyatta omusike Daniel Moi omusike Mwai Kibaki inki geko gerokagerete nga ebiche yo yale ngeye ngencho kubera sebeza Kreting lazima ebesa etware bicha y'omuntu lazima ebesa etware bicha yenchogo ebicha yesimba nabo kujara basange kinengere kya gocha se number yo 07 26 44 73 67 04 Obaga agotabanga Joshua watching live kura chinsembo chiri chanya isa manga nalo Empire agotabanga nere noale akuwakilisha abantu Eldoret iko kendera kulika ujumbe chaino ochaiga se studio ikira wakinete ebesa kwalo tumeka mbicha ya muraiki yabwate aninki ukagirite biche yarengi kupikirwa se ebesa wikira boniga okorange okwa watware ebesa kwanyare chorire simba kwanyare chorire nchogo alenga na nyina abasani bakuru gusirero bakuru kamarieta yeminyama nanyaranga echui ndobwate echui simba emamba kiro muntu nabwate erieta rya lakini rende ebesa ninki ekogira iragenderere gutwara ebicha yomuraye bwenze iragenderere gutwara ebicha y'omunyama koirana tokendere gusanga guchakira agabo korenda sebono kukubole tobosa gusikakira twakole chigazeti chiri tukoria rero
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga wata chi proval net gauges au unabono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asibigo babwata Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato mbabwata tile provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yiga nika babwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Bricky Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na wigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika kinga cyo gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo mucyugo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire au nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
incheno manyagitari irinike maubanye omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo mucyito bosongo nainde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo va services cyekerero tugotumia ububwenia bwekerero technology yo kurigererio mubero omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero twaro mo cyanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yaito ni gotunya ruseti ase chinse cyesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse bunabono kurustura marioga asense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni goto kurusia asense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA Mario gande na to kurusia somo cyo India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara Mario ga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere to kubweni abantu abange na ande ni gare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kyagera na ayemete Igo karibu sana asenye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center.
Nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Inchuo onyore obugwenia.
Omogusi. Are you ready for this? Omunyangongo na wigo omubui asaboteri Pastor Milk Rubo. Wigo oli omuredia wumurubiri wumusasuku Jumapili ase TV yaone radio ya Getembe bigo aho chingira emyaka 35 yobokorera ubya inseye y'ubukristo na kurandia enchiri gukatana amonere chingaki chiga aguchengira emyaka ya 35 chitariki 13 cy'umutenyo kane umwaka uyu chitariki 13 cy'umutenyo kane umwaka uyu muyiga urakorekane ase kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Chapel imeyo mucyugiga ubusungo mucyakira chinsebire cy'amambia wika chinse 11 cy'amagoroba mwensi mwariganirigwe musesenigwe amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asa amatuko ali busyo ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukora Yesukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanyi nanene w'ekikosi cy'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono elya ya Building and Civil Engineering ase tokubundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Civil Engineering Level 6 Building Arts and Masonry Level 4 Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5 Carpentry and Joinery Level 4 Land Survey Level 5 na boigona Level 6 egati chinde chinyinge kubundisa tole boigo ekosa Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokubundisa Electricity Installation Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6 Horticulture Level 5 na bwigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na bwigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Records and Archives Management Level 5 na bwigo na Level 6 ejitumela asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yiga ya keti nigotubwate a modern library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibyogotumeka ali nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya version design ase level ya 4 na bwigo neli ya 5 ase omuraki wa akwebundisa akwenyorera ubumanyi ubura mubeka silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkoigeli abale bwigo business studies na entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha cosmetology nigotokwigelia beauty therapy level 4 na level 5 hairdressing level 4 na bwigo na level 5 nyoranga ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi bwekerero unabono hairdressing pedicure manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering ase tokubundisa automotive arts level 4 automotive engineering level 5 na level 6 asabe gotokubundisa welding and fabrication level 4 ajirira moretu mwanu ainyorere obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egendrete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka asamange nabugutalira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose nabugwaka esimu gwetera sechi namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayira na kwenyorera obumanyi eri wibekiri bagali lya asensiga yokwerwanirira
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo cyobosongo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buyakegima na kobwamone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusia asa atambe twaberire gaiga segeke tambe korwa mwaka 2018 mugusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekyo mogongo gugwatia amagoro akobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga agwaka igoro mochando bwa esukari amo namoroire amanga arese emebere yaito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyora obobwenia nese eng'encho ataratarire nyagetari yaito ya Nuga Paste erinda anyora obobwenia oboiga boito aiga Nuga Paste ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori gokwamaria ogandonsi yogo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo bogotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
irietari ane igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igo na nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire kuri nyagetari na iru nyagetari paka bwasinyire bono ngo teba ngonde bwensi ura toke nganari no buruire buno bwa mauga boko bimbio mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaige senya gitari ya Nuga Paste erinde mokonde munanyi gwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchore bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchore bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Esther Nyarik ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwase enyagitari ya Nuga Paste nogo tonyora asama gacho Ouru Towers second floor tirongo tiakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo Nuga Paste nige gotoka asama gacho Ouru Towers Ouru Towers ye building yege sinyaine Mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndahakikishere omogusi yominto Nuga Paste nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi gwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Paste gotanga mbuya kubwa kogwenia. Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimrulu ao ya Tembe Television Network ayene amati yao kuri miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas ama no chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your Star Times decoder. Download the Star Times On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangie chiga nigo chiri korwase chiri chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikari guri ria bantabatinu moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.kerukatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keroka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iwe konia ebinto ao ebikiranu na ase amagoli amaya kegema nkoni bale chicho echuchimanye kaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na echekerero echuchikurwa ase chikambani ao na asamagoli amaya kegema B-trap toilets boigo nkoni bale chi wash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa ase chikambani ao mbabwate and wash cabinets Kerero chingi ya kirage na echibirengo bigoro mono tibweba amagoli abonigo agukwana no mubuko yani amagoli agukwana naye kegema nkoni abale shower mixers Kerero taps gusi ibitacho ebi ya kegema kurwasi company ao koni abale ebinto bye chibafu gusi bathroom accessories bunabono towel racks soap dispensers tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gosecho kone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echuchiro siri ekerero na kurwase company ao na se chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves nan returns water meters foot valves PPR fittings HDPE fittings edukebo igo nkoni bale IPS fittings pressure fittings GI fittings ball valves nebinde ebinge mbabwate gutter fittings PPR rolls na PTG gutters asensemu yende mbabwate waste pipes asebo igo bakoni chitanki chamache chibirengo ao asamaguri amaya kurwasi chikambani ao naboko batalera ase ebara ya kisi kisomo barabare neduka ya watu asenchira ekogenda daraja 2 echiro gosoba kere esimi ase enamba 071224 2915 Buigomba bwate urusagi ase ensemo ya Nyamira Vimad Hardware and Plumbing Center asamaguli amaya kera engaki.
Your life.
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer. Bunno iga asachi tile au nukugora. Chikaton emeronge tato nigo kwa grout kilo isato bosa. Kukura chikaton meronge tao nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa. Kukura chikaton emerongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende. Size endeonse. Niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chiwall tile kitairi chance na boigo chitile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange bakres mese number 0703 943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya American Sons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende gensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo mucyugo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo ansukumureka amarwire au nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
inche no manyagitari clinic Maobanyi omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchuito bosongo nainde nigo ntagete kubarigani mono sana na kubatebinga nigo togova services chiekerero tugutumia ububwenia bwekerero technology yo kurigereria umubiro omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umuchanda twakwa amariogo na marioga yaitu nigo tunyarusiti ase chinsi chesko ao nande nigare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande nigo tukurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande nigo tukurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande nare tukurusia somo chyo India na ayande nigo tukunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya nigo kuru mwaka 2011 twabere tukubwenia abantu abange nande nigare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na ayemete igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyole obugwenia
Omogusi, are you ready for this? Omunyangongo na boigo omobui asaboteri Pastor Milk Rubo. Boigo oli omuredia w'omurubiri w'omusasuku Jumapili ase TV yaone radio ya Getembe nigo akuchingira emyaka 35 y'obukoreri bya inse y'Ubukristo na kurandia enchili watana amonere chinga kichiga akuchingira emyaka ya 35 chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyu chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyu Buyiga urakorekane ase kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Chapel imeyo muchudiga obusungo buchakira chinsebere chamambia wika chinse 11 chamagroba mwensi mwariganirigwe musesenigwe amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asa amatuko ali busyo ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanyi nanene w'ekikosi ky'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono elya ya Building and Civil Engineering ase tokubundisa Building Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Civil Engineering Level 6 Building Arts and Masonry Level 4 Plumbing Level 4 na Level 5 Carpentry and Joinery Level 4 Land Survey Level 5 na boigona Level 6 egati chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore boigo ekosa Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokubundisa Electricity Installation Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies Agripreneurship Level 5 na Level 6 Horticulture Level 5 na bwigo na Level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 na bwigo Analytical Chemistry Technology Level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Records and Archives Management Level level 5 na bwego na level 6 igitume lab asensema ya community and online working imejeskuru yiga ya keti igotubwate a modern library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibyo gotumika ari nayo kubundisa tule a course ya version design ase level ya 4 na bwego neli ya 5 ase omuraki wa akwebundisa akwenyorera ubumanyi ubura mubeka silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate machine chekerero inkoigeli abale bwigo business studies na entrepreneurship ase chinsamu cha cosmetology nigoto kwigelia beauty therapy level 4 na level 5 hairdressing level 4 na bwigo na level 5 nyuranga ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono hairdressing pedicure manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge boigonto bwate course ya mechanical and automotive engineering ase tokubundisa automotive arts level 4 automotive engineering level 5 na level 6 asabego tokubundisa welding and fabrication level 4 ajirira moretu mwanu ainyorere obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka asamange nabugutalira e website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose nabugwaka esimu gwetera ziti namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera obumanye iri wibekiri bagari rya asense yiga yo kwerwanirira
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato bokoreri bwayo buyakigima na kobwamone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato bokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusia asa tambe twaberire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekyo mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari ito ya nuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa mario gandon siyogo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilietaria ane igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire ko nyagetari na iru nyagetari paka bwasinyire bono ngo teba ngonde bwensi ura doge nganari no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaige senya gitari anu ga besti elinde mo konje munanyi gwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konjole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konjole bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitari ya nuga besti nogo tonyora asama gacho Towers second floor tirongo tiakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara korigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Towers ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndahakikishere omogusi yominto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi gwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenya. gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya uwanje tiaga Tembe Television Network witera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimrulu au ya Tembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yitu au inyoranga nigo okonyora e channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeunga kia Mwamogusi.
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your Star Times decoder. Download the Star Times On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand au ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo au punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyi go musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Mwajo murigire karibu sana na kirabono torigetie gusetwa girasensemo oyo mwere oyo murubiriga bwitwani ya Getembe ne kirongo kwarigania kema irinde chinyare kumurikira ali agenderete ase orogongo orwagusie kira torenere Eric Abuga. Eric.
Wakira.
Ebonete bono nye kugocha rero wakire bia.
Ngoja mambi.
Onye kugocha rero tomanya ngaki rero Monday nore Tuesday nore. Lakini mbia mwana sana. Ukarenginga mbia wikire ika ase studio ende karibu.
Asante.
Na bwate ribori gocha sore. Ebe sekero kwari ukinebe sa kwari gutumika nereri yabwate the list yaringe nsepi yabwate value yense
Tinha de value yense
engaki abono mete tokuri ebe sansi ingi sano na chi koreka na chinke
there was 5 shillings by day ikwende
eri korogocha
yaringe korogocha yaringe around there was 5 there was 50 cents nyanda kara linga isku atina kartumugati na 5.50 cents, I think, a quarter.
Mugati na 5 shillings.
Yes, a quarter. I think 5.50 cents. So mwaka kwata na bantu babiri. Mwaru 11 shillings mwako mugati nusu. Otere kabiri ke monte quarter. But you see, remember last, nga kiri ngoro mugati quarter ole ngomo na sana. Awe ngoro almost half.
Nande mugati yaringe mostly ni area block.
A block. So, I think mugati was around 5, a quarter was 5.50 cents. Yes. So na rote 50 cents. Okay, ndo anyerote lakini tukatwali shilingi nyingi. So na wakona goromo gati school. Kwa wata no montondo kabere. Kwa manya 11 shillings magoromo gati.
Aye, tubwate 50 cents.
Of course ya rengo. I think no mboni ganchi soro nedinga bantu bange mba.
Chiriko tumeka. Mpaka chiriko akanyanga manoti alikire.
Actually the value for the 50 cent ya rules it value kale because no nyine bikare ko golebi ndeduka mundio konige na 50 cents akonita 99 89 package shilingi toki gore change so 50 cent tayo squeeze
nje takairu 50 cents okonyara kera kwa chinyorire somunieri kana kwa gora eko aye mo yarengeko kwenda shilingi yamo kwa gora chiko ibire
actually kwa china 5 shillings twago chiko ange 20 change nyingi sana yes.
Bueno, kero na chukurige rituko ria rero na rige ko rigire nga kero tukurige sama ngana ari ya matuka etire kero tukukwana chipese chiga kwanyara nga chipese chichi bwate bicha y'abantu mete kero kena bukwe buringe lazima bicha yo moraye to kiasebese gutumika se country gete use lazima ebese yecho rugo sene simba naki naringe ko boli umunjo murigerele nga ebesa ekero kwale gutumika kusebese iri kwa kinete go gutumika ebicha yango yaho ati
Sebelea wate bicha I remember ne ya wate bicha ya Kenyatta ende ya Moi so I think up to kale ndaka abe president former president Uhuru Kenyatta na ya change pakanskoka symbol sinde chingao like now elephant simba stivichecho but it's going to there is a backdrop kurumaya ke president akabija ke president kurumaya so this time the change talinga kale cha njiti the file ya change
2019
ngachianza go change taka tokina ya bwate bicha ya former president Jomo Kenyatta late president Jomo Kenyatta na at some point Kibaki na Uhuru at some point
yes nekiro tokurigire gose ekiro tukwanira igoro yeche biche chintu bwata bantu bale batari korora enoti yonga umuntu ne bwate text cha umuntu akubwata umanye 500
what is a text is ne bwata kurumaga na bogo fire text ya there's a kafika kalikire ka inscribed in that note umuntu akufira nyigo yes that's all those features by the
yes naro kurigire nganande obono umuhimu yeche biche chiga gose text cheri nereri nene mona kiroko nyarange biashara rero wash chibesa ngo sibiguchire
you see now the features do not stop wash because what they are doing is a replica now there's that ka feeling okukuruma gagari na kutanyora kwa kosi bya besachiri there's a kind of aluminium foil kabekira service
ngechanga
no aka one maybe okay what they do no konye maybe konye duplicate so konye photocopy yanyo lebe sign that's why it becomes wash have a fake so it's hard konyoraga that aluminium foil or that those figures inscribed for my god na kongo chinyora that's why you're able to differentiate between the fake and the original without that foil asana lebe say tied kereji go crossing yedinga counterfeit yes so the features ngokonya chile to tell the fake and the original currencies che country yes
ikiro tugutigana nayo ruchinga kurwa sichinse mochiri chake komo ritukore igoro nande umuntu natugite ega umugako yomo esungetie nyumba mwae amangana ya bantu gwita timete nga kiara kwaneru elinde bikrobu ne biga go service abune biga binyara gukiana.
Before the current deputy president Atararu Ubora as a deputy president, we had he was the minister for interior, the cabinet secretary for interior. One time he came to Kisii and Agateva, there are a number of murder cases in Kisii, actually in Kisii and Nyamira. They are quite a number, but they're not related to like the cause is only one or two. There are several causes. There are murder cases in Kisii and Nyamira. We have the normal murder cases in Antubagwetana. We have the homicide cases in Kisii. We have even the murder cases at the family setup. So there are different cases. Actually, even the society cases in Kisii are way too high. Like now, a case here come yesterday. There are those who are saying young entity, but whatever, but you saw from the police report, so but then we have to wait for postmortem results as the police side of the story. To any results here postmortem, then you can confirm the cause of the death. But then generally, murder cases in Kisii they are way too high. And the day goes or 2 days go.
Tarakore story
ya murder. And it cuts across.
Yes.
So it's something. Yes, the murder cases cut across the whole country. But then as a community, there are those fighters who Chikowa elders a community. Like now wanting to kill. Much as it's in the constitution, it's a crime. As a file you as a community, people holding away to Montenegro and taking and take that's why there is like a story as a family set up on your in the community there's the husband or the father in the community. Such things is a firstborn in the family to solve issues. Even at the family setup and even the community about to let him borrow. Escalated into now crime. So the community what the files as a community. So with the murder cases now coming up, we'll start asking the social fabric community
yes.
What could be the reason why? So it's something much as people could say like or maybe because but who has the right to deny you the right to life? Yes.
Na tugutikana nayo ndo tinga sense mo ya siasa korokana ngai county ya Nyamira ya very active mono matukabwanguiga korende nekiro ngukunyorenga umoncho murigire wiki yigekera guchaka nigo umugavana wa county ya Nyamira na boigo aba speaker we county assembly bonse babere tubate omoske tadia sinyabaro na boigo omoske noko okero abo banyarite gwika obose bo senate tukoria juma 4 nekiro obanyarite kwa raneria amaboria yo senate ya wate naki iba bere asebiroko biribyabo buna aba speaker na bigo mbabwate amangi ayo banyarite gusanga ne senate korende nga wikira boniga na ndinga neyo negendete kurigererwa kusenekero abamenyi banyamira bakonya kuboria nga engane yo inyare gusansa marano asenjira eri ya bwango heri konekia buna county assembly ya Nyamira ya nyare kogendera na bigo gwikirania amagenderia ao ase county ya Nyamira konende ekero tukurigeria chibichecho chikubwate korwase senate nene mono chikumurikire county ya Nyamira mwanjo murigera twirane kogendera gusanga igoro yengane yo.
Because it's political. This problem is not. I really want to plead with Chair and this committee that any recommendations that will be made should be recommendations to make sure that all of you can sit down as brothers and agree so that we can sort out. Nyamira is an embarrassment to me as a senator from Kisii. It is an embarrassment to our country because you deserve better. We know you have issues with the governor. We know you have issues with the sitting or the former speaker, whatever you call him. You're all children of the same mother. I beg you, be courageous enough to call each other in this evening, sit down, and please agree.
Chair, let me say what we wish for every devolved unit is that it works for the good of the Kenyan people in that county. But for this one, Chair, I think the theatrics are at another level. Yes. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes, Chair. At the end of the day, issues affecting Nyamira will be solved by the people residing in Nyamira. That is me, Senator, you as honorable members of Assembly, and the Governor. Everything that you see making that count on the headlines for the wrong reasons will ultimately reflect on the leadership of Nyamira. The Constitution sets the executive and the county assembly. And the person who should be in the forefront in ensuring that there is unity, there is one assembly, is the governor. So I hope, Chair, at the end of these proceedings, we'll get a solution that will give the people of Nyamira an opportunity to have one assembly. You can have disagreements. We disagree with Honorable Nyonka, but at the end of the day this afternoon, we'll retreat to one Senate, called the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. So despite the disagreements that you may have, please have one county assembly. The issues that have come here before this afternoon, if they are not resolved, they'll degenerate to something worse for the county assembly, for the executive, and for the people of Nyamira. So let's try and get a solution that brings all of you together, sort your differences within one assembly. That is the only message I have.
It's not that we are greedy for power, but our hearts are bleeding. It's only in Nyamira that a consignment of empty breweries can be flagged as in the name of drugs. It's only in Nyamira that the governor can pay himself 5.6 million.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Governor.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira,
Honorable Chair, the governor is not here. You cannot discuss. The major problem we have, Honorable Chair, the major problem we have, Honorable Chair, is the set of Congo Umogeni. It's the problem of Nyamira. Honorable Chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Chairman. Honorable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I want to appreciate the committee for giving us an opportunity, and also thank my honorable members that we have been bestowed with a great responsibility to serve the people of Nyamira. We have an opportunity to come back, work together. My hands are open to welcome my friends. We work together, we push Nyamira forward. We have a timeline. 5 years is not a long time. Next year we are engaging campaigns. We have an opportunity to come together and do service delivery. I want to appreciate the opportunity and also welcome my senator, my learned counsel who I love so much, that if we resort and go back home, we can be able to solve this issue without coming to the Senate. So my senator, I welcome you. You have enough wisdom. We can be able to
mwanjo murigirire ayo na igati yari abere amanene kima ewiki iga na kiro tukumurikira ngaki Senate yanyarete gukura kurinde nga wikira boniga abuga nga Senate bado abaiga na bo bairanete gusabara ya abaiga bairanete wikase county ya Nyamira watabwatia machivu.
I think the Senate Committee on Devolution will make will do a recommendation through a report the table in the Senate. Now let's hope from that report or from the recommendations something will happen in Nyamira. But I want to start from where the speaker, Okero, is saying that his hands are open for a discussion with the other faction. But it's okay from the debate or from the submissions sharing in the committee before the committee. It's like create team neta get almost mamoy. Now this is where the challenge is.
Yes.
But Okero is saying 5 years name you know, within the 5 years period, you have 5 financial years. But there's one almost wasted. Because I think it's hard for the government to raise the funds to counties because remember I think there is the transition. Now when I resist the county governor also the current crop of MCs in
Yes.
So the national government normally takes time to raise the last financial year. The same way it takes time to raise money in the first year, the election cycle. So basically, the governors of the county assemblies have 3 years to work. That's why you kira miaka 5 ya tukunga we are inheriting ama deni.
Yes, serikali ya
Now the challenge in Nyamira is this. When are these guys going to work? The Senate whatever, the issues in Nyamira, I like to ascribe in something else. It can be both financial implications and economic and the political implications. It can be even social, because as a creative on the government, and this Okero gentleman, the speaker, and the MCF Ekereny, which extends to other MCAs and even members of the county assembly, including staff. Yes. Just try to imagine of what is happening in Nyamira when the Senate, the Sergeant at Arms, what a mess. At what a mess. Then you realize a faction in Nyamira what a mess here. So where is the original mess? The original mess is with the Sergeant at Arms. No one never custodian near mess. So the issues in Nyamira and something on that solve. Now today is on Thursday. That means that allies they can come back for the assembly sittings is the next week on Tuesday. But this is going to come back for the sittings. Bado mbara iwana ngochi kwirana.
Bado nyekira baruite Nairobi niko batebetenga niko bakwirana ritukore goro bari kwirana vikaro byabo mashinane na boigo se county assembly.
The county assembly.
Yes.
There's another issue in Nyamira like who gazetted the mashinane sittings. The argument is holding water.
Na kiki omo senator au Kongo mugeni akuburia.
But generally the MCs in Nyamira you have heard the governor being mentioned by the other speaker Nyavaru. The issue in Nyamira is an issue about the governance, the governor. But them as MCAs, why can they sit by one and on what to do? Because there's a likelihood that once again this assembly comes back for sittings, they are going to dare again the governor for impeachment. There's a likelihood, yes. But then I think some of them are even buying time. So that the 6 months, impeachment, and 6 months period, they will again attempt to impeach the governor. There's a likelihood that these three tactics could lead to such an incident again. So let's wait for what will happen. But then there's one senator, I think, was it the Topico? Under the Senate Committee at Devolution.
Yes.
Other than the issues in Nyamira are out of this world.
Na boigo mo senator okisi mosikio nyongera tebenga na boigo kwani runyamira.
I saw how they were responding, senators were responding, and at one point they were all quiet and they got cover it's Okongo and Onyonga were asked questions. The rest were quiet. By the end of the day, with that senator the issues in Nyamira, they're unique and they're out of this world. What does it tell you? Yani
Ogosi nyungo konya.
Mondra cha konya swini Nyamira vona iga. Maybe tara iguru.
Kurinde nekiro togendete gukwanira ayo ndochenga omugavana nereri tukore igoro na nyarete gukwana gusekwera buna nigo guseni gagenderere kumurage byara omoseneta gwe county ya Nyamira omosike Okongo mugeni nekira gotebanga nero ogenderete guturubania omorembe ase serikali ya county ya Nyamira nabo igokonya kuigereria ebitina nabo igonekera kuburia ngakero ama mochanya rego korekana imi gusekera ama ngana atari kogenda biya me county ya Nyamira nigo bono omoseneta Okongo mugeni atabona gocokia magana ayo gochega goikira nonye na sebuna ebunge area ya senate omugavana musikia musinyaribo na rayo ari gukwana igoro ya senator Okongo
gukwanekere kiboigo mugavana nigagendere ko bagakumumachio museneta bwe county ya Nyamira musike Eric Mung'are bwo Kongo asikirya nero gendere ko bagagusegeta chisegi meye county ya Nyamira.
There is no one day anaoja Nyamira tusanswa anda watu msiasama ngamu nyawa kwa maandamo watu msi awali kwa assembly lakini ndana kusasama mili tuke limo yese achora 2017 ndana kusasama limo wono oromuchi oweshi ndanero loko yamukai chimo chukambero
Nelibo nigamuganirie omo senator yegonye kabwato batebwekerego kyo bugavana kunyara ko bagagochira okoboko gwa komosi na gusika abarayi bande.
akakumia akatekemigeni egesonge yake ngamo ilo sene tatu ara maskani asawa aibani atende kero tulachi na omo
ekerekiwe igo nigo mugavana Asiribu na Chisege chigendrete kwenikiwe meye kaunti ya Nyamira aburitu kurigoro nigo chiasi uretinga njiji konyara kwa chikobe kwa kerario na bwigo gosonsorwa ime ye kaunti ya Nyamira natali kubeko busono bwe kaunti kwa chiase bisa kubinde
jebontambe ngwatena amangana Nyamira toisasi Nyamira toyesomwe Nyamira igorese ntiate wete ile na Nyamira como sene tonto oberga komenya abantu Nyamira no morere aenero koigani chiko oile bindeye senate yango to so keningwa lobano twanja nete ari advice tojeka tosara ata leaders tomanye wewe Nyamira aende mbona morena obondi no kwa usegeta robasa ikiara tumate county assembly and operation
nigo boigagendere ko bagakomosemia omo MCA be ward ya Kerenyo uyu boigo uligatie yo muspika saba speaker bali babere kurwa se county ya Nyamira kunyara ko bagagocha na goitobote unenchire yamo yo kulendekera go kya kyo bu MCA Aiginko reporter igataseni kya wanchete kya gatembe kurugiga sinseme chiga che Kerenyo meye bunga ya North Magrange County ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
abuga ekintu ndo chaiganga amangana anyamira nyare ko gayano kurase county ya Nyamira orochanye baire tu ase senate egasinya bakairana bono batebrenga tebaya korire nyomba.
But what stopped Nyaribo Governor Nyaribo for all this time was stop the escalation of this issue kwe kambaka senate. Now he's coming out to Kateba. He was doing
Kangomba ganyetegi kia se senate.
Yes, can only be stopped ne na baraiva Nyamira. Ngiya tange Nyaribo go stop these issues or cap these issues all this time. That's one. Two, you have had in the Senate Governor the speaker for the second group Nyabaru. Counting the issues in Nyamira, it's Nyaribo, who's the governor. So how does the accused again go stand or go sit to solve the issues are accused of? Maybe perhaps the only proper way to solve issues in Nyamira is the clergy, the church leaders, the bishop, the heads of these different types of you know, Amasavo, or Romola, you think Amasavo. But nothing okay immediately.
Nende kina tukurira nonyo omo governor tari matuka mangeri tu wiki ngego chaitire na nyarete gutebanga ero monyene otembire gukwana kwevereria aba MCA banyare gochamo kulende bangire kuigwa.
Is it a case of the governor not understanding the it's go in the man pakubana nere because ideally this is a group ya muimbichi twice. They have made an attempt to go muimbichi twice. Second time they were successful, it wasn't successful again. Akanyora the majority votes against the impeachment motion. Now, these are the same people. I had to answer and one. You see, there could be other issues in that assembly that I understand. And these issues cut across even all across all county assemblies in the country. These MCAs almost have what no more.
Yes.
I think you saw a letter from the Senator Jariakisi.
81,000.
81,000.
Matera kumeti sana.
Abantu banga matanga Friday. Abantu bakubuka maambi basogeta kyomo MCA maambi. These people need some tenants in the county. And if you reason these people by this secretly, you know, discuss by the tenant to call. They're also human beings, they're leaders in this country. They could need that extra coin in their pocket. In the Imbariko Minor. That's why I'm saying, Mon that was solve issues in Nyamira, Aitaka, and Jikwa solved for the next 3 years or 2.5 years. And if again Nyaribo wins the next elections, the same issues will be duplicated.
And it's
even worse. Because already Nyaribo has served like, he has served 10 years of cold as a deputy governor. And he served as a governor. At one point, as a governor towards the end of last term. So that it's a complicated issue in Nyamira by the issue I got discussed about senator. That senator could 2017 achoretu tanya assembly assembly. Now what obviously Nyamira tanya go chioro. You see, how does the senator going to sit in the assembly? Stop. Oh, so Konya, a government implement development project in Nyamira. There's a budget for that case. It's going to be implemented in the executive. Now, Okongo Konekaransa Nyamira in the office cannot stop the implementation. You go a Kerenya dispensary. It cannot stop. It is the executive in Nyamira County. Either Okongo decides to sit in the assembly or not. There's no way I go stop development. No, okay, let me give you a good example of what he's saying. Issues family, market. But you see now issues family they read to what we were discussing in the morning about murder cases. When you're assaulted at the family level. Now in politics, these are the repercussions of the issues that I family in Nyamira County government. Once you in the market, you cannot stop it. That means issues in the family level. Same case in Nyamira. Issues in Chiarengo. You see now, like members of parliament in Nyamira, they can only speak, but they have no power to call a. There's nowhere in the concept of it is the governor as the first arm of the government in Nyamira, is the executive, and aggregated arm of government, which is the parliament, through the speaker. Can he prove that he has at one point into a meeting? Yes. Let him make it public. Like Ali Keri Rube, Christian County Secretary, invite these guys for the meeting. Then now from there, again, that's the to a meeting. There are reasons I can't a meeting. These are county where you have leaders before the assembly. They don't appear the executive. There's a feeling like in Nyamira, there is individuals in the executive who are more extremely powerful even than the governor. Yeah, you have seen it before. So what's likely to happen there? This is the only county you find, like now in the assembly. The staff in the assembly, they're all divided. Completely divided. So how are they going to work? Yes. So once Aita Nyabaro comes back as a speaker, or Ogero comes back as a speaker, yes. Bonding sessions as my checking and mirror between the MCAs and the staff. Now you have been told the sergeant that time, you had the question you have raised in the Senate. Akabo Senate the time Kabori. Ekaro Okera said from the assembly in HMCA, the sitting was on session. What happened with the mess? Did Okero do a notice Kuala or Nyabaro to sit in as a speaker? Now, where was the mess? Once the speaker walks out of the chambers, the mess should follow. So, where was the mess at that time? So, they can only be solved by the people by Nyamira, by they send the entire team by 2027. So that we start afresh. Ideally, the entire 5 years in Nyamira has been wasted. But it is okay. There are some few things we are calling, which I know now. Like even yesterday, the governor, 1 year or the other, was trying to save the image here county. We discussed that, but then 5 years has been wasted in Nyamira. Yes.
Na tugutigana nayo asensemo ya magendero ndochenga abono amangana linga sabana bakonyoleru ndochenga mugavana abwaro na temete kurigirira ngane ga kusasense mo ijobo cheno ndocho umugavana umusikia musinyaribo ritukore igoro na nyarate kura umuyiga bwoko igoro akonya gitari ya basubati kusasa basubati bakugongeria iyo ko nyara kwenana obo wenia kuseko kwenana obo ereria ane mono gochase abamenyi bari chinsemo echobuna echiekerenyo una umusakito fatigari gisemba twariganireti oroboti
serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira ikurawa n'umugavana umuske Amos Nyaribo bakubwatirana ne serikali enene amo neria yense ya Finland nigo rero bakora umunyiga omonene bwoko igura inyagitari ase abangina bakogongeri Nyagitari iyo yabage kuigurwa rero nigo igotoka ase Nyagitari ye sub county ya Ekerenyo nigo ibitanda nabo igo biria byonsi biganirie chingaki umusubati arange koreta omugeni bire aroro.
And depending on the condition, some will live here to the theater or some will live here to the delivery room, but the delivery room on the other side.
Aiga nigo mugavana Nyaribo ateba bona ogwikiraniwa kwa magenderero ayaiga no gwikirania chira chaye ariete ase abana inchi erio kwenekya buna kira oyomo onyorire obokoreri bobobwenia ase obwange boigo otebire oguchakiwa kwenyagitari eyiga nigo erachikoirera omubaro bwa baria bagusiria amagimabo ekero bakogonkia orachie gokeana
abasonga aba iyo barwete Helsinki kanto ya Finland yani ba Oscar abantu bari bazwara batutu ba Nairobi yomanye project ye ne y'abantu ba Finland ne ba ya Finland lakini bawadonate yondo kubanga chitobi
kurwase ensemo y'ababwatani abo kurwase ense ya Finland nigo batebire ekaunti ya Nyamira nigati y'ekikaunti emerongo ebere ekyo kyakonyekire ase boigo ekaunti ya Nyamira ewodi area ya Busamaro enyagitari ya Igena Itambe boigo erachie kwagachwa
Government of Finland and National Treasury of Kenya, and this is the first project in Kenya that's been implemented based on this facility. Women's rights and maternal health is a very important part of Finland's development policy. It's been a key of our policy documents stretching back decades, and we have a very good collaboration with Kenya also in this regard.
Ensemo yayo muwaziri bwobochenu imeye kaunti ya Nyamira Dr. Donald Mogoi nigo atebire buna enyagitari yeyiga ya Ekerenyo nigo yabeire ya gatatu kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira gujya kwenana obokoreri bwobobari maiga yeria ya Keroka na boigo area ya Nyamira
operation kwatigaraga Ekerenyo ni ile area tentangani ase sub county ito ya Nyamira North ane toja konyore ya kabere labda toja konyora nyamusu wangu iga na labda naenge inde majo kucha magwawa ikona mboro Ekerenyo ya bere Nyagitari nene
chingaki echecho omugavana Nyaribo nigo abaenekeirie abanyamira buna onyorire ababwatani bande abo bagucha gokonya ekaunti ya Nyamira kwikirania amagenderero ao
unabonga iga yanyore dono litorisi kaita ya mkomondi yanyore edona yene litorisi kaita ya maginamero na yani ali ya musi yodona ite facility sikere angena sabando amejeti ikinega asina mwato ende ndokora
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira Jeffat Gad Isemba
ndochinga umugavana nao bata maroro kolendenga oroche ogokonyo kukurwase ense ya Finland bononga abamenyi be county ya Nyamira agoitera ase wodi yo sakor anne mona ase chinse mochiri chekerenyo kuchubare konyora obokoreri obukoro ase enyagitari yo abuga ametekera ko igwete ngo mugavana obere ka gusaba ase ka kurigereria nga enyagitari
no aso mundu taranya koira umurugio ya nyagitari koibura asensemo ya Kenya usinye tajinge cha Kenya by the na mundu rakani kintu kirahisi sana but it's only okay, I don't know if it's only in Kenya but some African countries kama mosbate aibatanire osaibatekanete aibateranete kanya rumwana there are chances ngo mwako abwatrete ngambwate ngoro ni rito tegenza 50-50 aitasoka kare moyo so gakwete either we mungna kwete so mwana kwete because of the quality of the health care kwa hiyo
ase chinya gitari
cha Kenya bonaiga actually the deaths nyinge chigota kurugetera abantu bunaba is about negligence or lack of proper the health care services abantu abakanyora but then echi nyinge. So when you are seeing such a project like in a county government, it's a plus for the women.
County.
Yeah, county and for the women. I've seen the pictures. These are plus for the Nyamira county government and for the people of Ekerenyo. At the catchment area, Ekerenyo and Nesan. Now, from the Omabay side, because I think now that could be the nearest facility where such facilities, such equipment,
services,
as a maternal services. So it's a plus for the county. No, people don't care how you got this project. It is a partnership.
Maintenance.
The constitution now requires that these public-private partnerships to allow for people to get such projects. Actually, I can't remember the last time, as a Gusii region, we had such a project. Actually, in Garesan. I remember the former governor Kisi tried to put up a project, a mother and child hospital. It's not even a facility, it's an hospital, a complete hospital. But since 2021, sometime there.
Yes.
The structure but up to date, you're equipped. So there's no that. So that there's a good facility in Kisi, Nyamira. You've got a good maternal services. So this one being launched at Ekerenyo yesterday, okay, it's a milestone for the people of Ekerenyo because either they go to other counties or someone talking in Nyamira. Still on Baduka Nyamira, you will still be referred to another county. President last time, it's a good project. So the allocation each project, the distance maybe let's hope that once you have put up now that facility, you'll employ proper staff, qualified staff. Because the machines that now require doctors, resident doctors, not even somebody comes from Nyamira somewhere. A resident doctor, maybe a gyna, and we know now what the county governments have to do to employ a gyna at Ekerenyo. Let them employ staff, qualified staff. We have seen instances where we have quacks manning this maternal services. But my hope is that now, Nyaribo being a member, a resident, and not Mogrango, you employ qualified staff because so let's hope you employ qualified staff. We can that catchment area. Yes.
Ngagiritenga croissance moyo oyo bochano kosekere to kurigire ayore e county ya Nyamira timanyanga inkende ikere watikaire okwanira igoro yo borayo bo kendrete ime ya Nyamira.
Actually, we have said it severally that now the leadership of Nyamira to sit down. But you see, behind my mind in Nengareting Aki, Nyamira's had all these issues for the last 2.5 years. But you can see something tangible being done in Nyamira. This is a project. Few people knew about it. Up to yesterday, that's the time people realizing, oh, and I've said, the common manager doesn't care who funded this project. What the common manager wants is services. So, the funded foreign donor, grant, the common manager could want to see services in this place. So, despite the issues, Nyamira political issues, You heard the senator saying, and even when Kisi Senator Nyongo was asking, like, the issues in Nyamira, how can they be solved? Are they political? Are they legal? The response from even Nyabaro, the speaker, was that issues in Nyamira, they are political. A political process can be solved by the let them solve the issues, but once now get the next financial year, 2025-2026, yes.
Tebangana ene chisegi na abo igona kero tugutikana nayo kubwatekana ane nyumba kusia magacha ya nyara kugwa ase chinse mochiri achaitiero meye constituency ya Bonchari niko bono abasaye babere bakuru ase ensemo ya Nyamecheo ime ye wodi ebeno nyari bari chache banyarite gusiria magimabo nekero bono ya matena boiga bamenye bechinse mecho cha Nyamecheo banyare kuboria homo bunge onyari bari chache musikeza ijanda anyare gweswanania na boigo kubakonya irinde banyare kwarigania amatanga gusemeyega yokubaenia abancho abo babo asinjira ere ya maskani
keranya twanyorire nkerikia mubasukano yo bagwe nyumba yago yaita abana baitobere oyomo chofe yakundi ya mwega noyonde Nemrod Ondieki ono bokongu twaeteire twachire bosongo twariki which statement twarigirio obokonyi abana abo bakora postmortem tukari batezwa 2025 2016 ono n'abana abayiga mbabwati nonyankendi yonse ntu abanyene terigento twebangete the county government nemanyete ng'abana abo mbakweta se accident ono tuganeti batokonye bayanyare kano mwesi wa chanda eso ima tokonye no na tokorere mibere postmortem ndi baye kubunderari elinde tonyerete tuyenie use chinkoro chito nchiorro oikeraigo akiongo sawa atokonye muna abantu banyamecho mibere iterbuso ekoro postmortem and erbuso
eta oyunda iboso ko Nyamecheo mwana osireta akoro kunembo zatemo Ondieki yoruro mwana osireta nchofre Nyamwera nabo turama tonya guchira moigo watarire ono obokonyo tukunya gusabirira nakindi moza abana bare kurigia bakwete bakorigi ambese chibachiete korigi mbairie ono bokonyo tukwa so mheshimiwa Chanda unajua vizuri Nyamecheo walikupea kura vizuri. Sasa hapa ndio tunahitaji usaidizi wako kwa kina ili tupate hao watoto na haki zao zipatikane. Mheshimiwa, tunakuomba sana, tunakuheshimu, tutendee hayo mema, hatutakusahau tena.
Narigo teba ngaigero bokongo bonene sana. Eko gero umwana uyo nigaro yo musubati yo minto tabwati kende. Umwana uyo ne nigarenge kwerigeria. Igatigiro musubati ole boso tamanyeti kende gionzi. Onga munarigeria nyoni nje nari goteba ngagakia baisimiwa mono muno yo minto Chanda ninkomanyete okwari gwanjo tokonye noigweta abana bande bari basirete na borobu bakonyiru n'abantu babo bairiru ntu abaito bakino bagosarekera gwege kogera ntori na kende igotore no moichano manene anja motokonye
abo nabo bakuboria obokonyi kurase chinse mochiri cha Nyamecheo gutoka mewodi eveno banyare kweni abancho ababo ndo chengani go bakumubore omobunge mheshimiwa Zaire Janda anyare gwesona ni na koboigo kubasira samatanga.
Actually, Martina discussed this issue was on Monday or when was it on Tuesday? Issue ya emergency fund in the county government or in different government kitties. Actually, the one I think CDF what the emergency fund for infrastructure, but maybe to Yagure school now back there, all these government institutions. Now back on your corner, back again the rescue, but there's emergency fund in the county government that should be utilized. I expected the way we said the other day that whenever I budget, couldn't be Konya, Kurusia abantu babe trapped. The same way now, let them go to each and specific family which are affected. bakwane each family them, then they can be able to understand the needy basis each family is. Because we cannot say blanket like whatever we are going to give 100,000 to each family. Because of course the governor will come and say to give the hospital bills and the mortuary fee. People need a correct coffin. And mtakirenda sama tanga. Chi family chi atrele chinge sana. Like now the two guys from Nyariva, yes. But Tigair. If you remember when this incident happened, the member of parliament Ibakobori Achikokonya.
Na tumetengara
kuchisi. Na tumetengara kateba. Wako pamoja. But you see now whatever you do is personal donation.
Taringa ne responsibility abate.
There's no kitty for such. Nida chata benga ye tuachire buna balai. Na ure shiringel family sinikere family chiver sinya chiwe konya. But at the end of the result, the question goes, yes, we need to stop this collapsing of houses by holding accountable the contractors and even the private developers Baba held accountable. Actually, this now incident is happening that yesterday KDF ikatagole nyumba in Mombasa ya lengeji chifuwa 11 ikawa flattened. Like ngaya ndo county government ba renge the fiscal planning engineer ngaya ndo bonso ba renge mpaka nyumba kwenda mpaka 11th floor. It got a few days occupied. You had the developer to me 350 million and they have all the documentations. Was it a case that there was corruption or something? So as much as we want to look at let us look at how can we stop these incidents. That's the only way we can cap these issues. So the chance to make a one yes.
Nabo igo abantu batige usiria magimabo kiagira korokoro nyora ng'abasaye basiri nande bagokora emirimo bare ase site na enganire iyobororo na abo igo mwancho murigere nekero togocha gukora ndocinga omonogeri bwe serikali omoske Isaac Mwaura nigo bona nyare gutuguterare chinguma chabere chiko igwe kana buna gose kegotebekana buna omuswada abwe finance bill yo mwaka 2025-2026 eyabere eke gosoka na kagukwana rituko rigoro niganyarete gukana gose kwegerera inkwana yaye na goteba buna omuswada oyu toraba kogosoka na abo igo nonya nabo amangana bereka utare mitandao nga nigo ebango erache komenta nabo igo ebintu binde ebinge bichi konyara koba bikukunwa igoro ye finance bill eyo erache korosigwa iyo mwaka wa 2025-2026 korende Isaac Mwaura nigakanenga serikali gose omuswada oyo toraba kogosoka nande amangana ayo anyare gotuguterware asechinga kebone chiga.
First and foremost, I want to strongly condemn the notion that there is another finance bill that is coming up with very wild proposals. There is no finance bill. There is no finance bill, and there are people who are engineering another protest. And as I had said earlier, they are using social media to spread falsehood, misinformation and disinformation. And it's very deliberate. We've already started to do so. These are enemies of Kenya's progress because they don't want ourselves to be reliable. They want us to ensure that we continue borrowing, both domestically and internationally, because then we are not able to raise taxes. And they are using social media for that matter, basically. And so there is no finance bill, and I want to say that very categorically. There is no finance bill because first and foremost you have to get the budget. The budget is coming by the 30th of April. After that is when you have revenue raising measures that are usually put together through a finance bill. And the aim of the government is to actually to ease the burden of taxation by coming up with ways and measures of ensuring that the current revenue raising measures are optimized so that KRA is able to collect more. And we are calling upon Kenyans to pay more. Because if everybody was able to pay the taxes, we don't need to raise any other monies through new taxes. No. We have enough revenue raising measures in law currently that would occasion a proper financing of the 4.2 trillion.
Omuswada we finance bill. Ndelio nkakikyo bwana tokoba kosogete. Umete bwana umete ashakire koleto bwo ekero kurigereria asengenjo chinga kibone chigo mwako etanande nigo yatugete nga finance bill.
The finance bill is coming the next not more than a month, less than a month. But the finance bill is coming by end of May. We'll have a finance bill. Then now to the budget in June. But the way the government spokesman is saying, it could be an issue like somebody leaked the contents of the finance bill, some quarters maybe. Because I remember the coming secretary for...
Says newspaper. Somebody
must have leaked that. It can be the government, the same government, correct information to test waters for migratory change. Alternatively, it can be somebody at Treasury can leak the information. So to a point you are saying the government spokesman finance bill there are it's true there are but the contents could be out. Yes, even the political process you realize
meeting
information is yes. So you cannot stop people from getting information, but let's wait for the final copy to make sure of that whatever is being discussed in social media and the media outlets could be true.
Na indo manyenga bono yena bekoletwo bwoba kigima kiagera mwako ita bina bibintu bya saleti ense ose bya saleti Kenya bono nande nga naekero ngosasa mutandao X ndo chama ngana go trend gose hashtag eraro telindo ngia nemono go jase serikali nenga ne koleta obwoba butindi korene nande buga ikintongiringa ndo chana ndikia chakire koleta liogi kigima gose kiabekire liogi ase mitano iwiki yiga anemono litukore gorondo chenga ikigete climax ekerotoroche play getiga yaboroki waba Butere Girls ndo chenga niko yarete teri go kigima ase serikali riberera litindi.
I don't know what happened. But you see, by the time such a play goes at national levels, it has so many stages. Before national stage, there is a regional stage. There were education officials. At that process, there's even a quality assurance education officer. You can sub-county, you can county, you can regionals, you can nationals. Now, someone wants to stop it at the nationals. You see, this thing is a process actually. It involves the school head, there's the music teacher at the school, the education officials, and even the guy who's script play by day is paid well by the school. So it's a process, including the same manner people are talking about. That is doing it for free. He's paid by the school to script this thing and direct as nationals. So for the government to come in at this point, somebody must have been asleep somewhere. Yes. As per the government, what the government could want to be done, not as a common man want to be done. For the common man, he could be happy or she could be happy of what is happening, that this thing is being staged at the nationals. It's a quote and quote, it's a replica of what is happening. Yes, but now look at the actors, as away from the students. Now the actors, the silent actors in this the process, including the former Senator Malala and the former UDS Kalajen, who is in the current system of leadership in this country. Is he in good books with the system? He is not already outside. But now, today in the morning, we have been telling prayer very staged. Yes, under tight security. But the question could be, could it proceed now to the State House Gala event? It's a question. For the demo image, the people around the president could want this thing to proceed. And then now, the president will have a chance, crowd we can answer, watch that play and respond. If there is a mention of, how do we call it? There's a mention of Zakayo in the play. In the past, the president would admit
Witabirenga ngurukwae.
Ngurukwae Sakai. Nanta kumete. Tata momenta maleta samaleta na tatu momenta maleta yandon. Sabu ati mechando. So ne questioning a key. At the opportune time, this guy will respond. The president will have to respond to that issue. But there's a government. There's a way the government operates. Now because a crisis get and it comes out to solve that crisis, or cool down temperatures. Now, for the government to allow this thing to proceed, you heard what Pitok said in the other day, that the rights of our children comes first. So they have been allowed to stage the play. It will proceed if it proceeds to the national, to the Ghana, yes. And you respect court orders. So it's a situation now we need to think about, but now think about the repercussions. Maybe the government officials were then involved in this process. You know, it will go quiet, it will go silent for some time. But the way you come here, they will never come on thing unto me. Somebody being transferred from Western Butere area, or Marisapi to somewhere, those the places they call the hardship areas. No what the family or some area quite very comfortable for these years, you're almost retiring. You know, it comes with strong warnings from those in power. Yes.
Muyo mono kigima moncho murigira koreginga wikiraga iga no turacho gukorera omurobiro iga witwani yagetembe elitukuria rero ngukwiranira mbe mono sana asa kugendera kuba omwigena koko manyanga ayona yanda mange no bokogenda kuyanyora ase agikiunga chinsa isano na ibere kiunga chinsa 10 chinsa ibere na boigo chinsa nye cha rero maragoba na boigo simitano yetu ya kijamii chinsa mo cha Facebook Getembe TV, YouTube Getembe TV na FM na boigo namba yetu ya studio butambe na bukurikari huko ose SMS kucharoro watu manyirite ryao ase okutubwata kuru na boigo wasanga ikirengere kyao sonyo kubwata okuboria nabo okubeka na boigo ngokuboria butambe onye esigno yao kero kendike bwatu muchano na nabo kulika ujumbe guchaiga erinde twanyara kumanya ningi gusenga nkai umuchandore ko so achinza mocha YouTube nyara subscribe gocha ase channel ya Getembe TV and FM na boigo onye kore ase chinza mocha cha Facebook nyara go follow Getembe TV na boigo ko like e page eyo ya Facebook nchengoro kwa Matilda boigo ekera twaringe nere gose twabere nere Erika Buga tukurigereria amangana yaiga hagendrete ase ense chinga kichiga boigo kora sense meriende Wilfred Matundra tibanyanga abuga na watekene arenge koko tebi mancho murire ekero togo chabasoka
kuba krambe mo batubanya bagotwire tukoria rero ndorango chake weekend agikentera chaka nero Thursday mamno tukara maambi tokor tuba chake weekend but for today kuba krambe ya mono mwese babanya bagoturigereria
twaro burigererio bya nyasaye oyo
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege
Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembe